with our beloved brother, Biafran Exodus TV. Many of you know him. And we are going to wait for some time before people begin to join. Before then, if you come in, please don't forget to like the video, or you're going to watch the video later. Do your best and try to like the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. My brother, you're welcome.
There were Mazi Kai, too much.
Nah, my brother, I'm happy to have you today. Last time we spent time here together in this platform, people appreciate your work, and we are here again just to do the same thing that we've done before,
Yes,
to tell
sir.
our people the truth and nothing but the truth. Some people actually feel that we are here to commit nuisance or to attack anybody. We are not here for that. But without telling you the truth, or making just to make sure that you have the idea of what is going on, you may join these people that are good in deceiving everybody. But we are here, like I said, to set the record straight. So
Yes,
please
sir.
put your comments. Put your comment, very, very important. So we are going to wait for some time. So for other people to join us, at least we're going to wait for some minutes before we start proper. I just want us to know that our brother is here. That's why I have to introduce him now. And we are going to take call in this as we move forward. But for now, let us just wait a moment before other people join us. Okay, guys. So we are going to welcome some of our brothers that have joined us so far. Kinsiri Obidimma, greetings, Biafra. He said, or State. I see you. Dalo one name, Mado. I see you. And Science and Innovation, greeting, Biafrans. Franca Okonkwo, our sister, is here. Much appreciate. And Jemin Wabani. He said, God bless you, Kai. God bless you too. And one of us, Triple M, is here. Triple M, I see you. Greeting to you, Mazi Kai Report, and our brother, Biafran Exodus. We are really winning the war. More power to you. Where's the message again? More power to your elbow. Okay. And then he said again, God bless you, Biafran Exodus. God bless you, Biafran Exodus, and Mazi That Triple M said again, USB is the only legitimate government for the Biafran restoration. I have a hidden message here. He said, in this struggle, the two people I have vowed to destroy, that I have I think you mean vow to destroy are.
I
Mm,
know.
I don't want. I don't want
Obfuscate.
to read that. I don't want to read that is from Science and Innovation. It's a message. Even White himself sees it. So he said,
No,
"Olu
no.
state, don't destroy anybody. Okay, it's not about. We are not encouraging violence. You can dismantle them logically. I mean, with the facts and figure by putting questions for them to answer. If they say that they born them well, may they answer the question. Do you understand?
Yes, you're right.
So we are not here to encourage anybody to wage war like physical war and combat with anybody. No. You don't need to commit crime because of to prevent crime. I mean, it doesn't make sense. I keep asking who know you in Biafran struggle. You are nobody in Biafran struggle.
Mm.
Shut your mouth. That is it. That is Wallow Friday. I mean, I have never tell anybody that I'm somebody in Biafran. Did I say anything that like that? Have I said that I am somebody like that?
Triple
I
M,
am
they
that.
will.
I mean, some of you are very very sick. You know this is the reason why sometimes people say that that I'm becoming like, that I'm not aggressive unlike before. It's becoming like this because I have never for once claimed what I am not. Your first comment here, you say you keep on asking as if I'm dragging any post or position with you. Nobody know me in different struggle. You are right. I'm not even agitating for anything. So are you okay with that? Even I've said it many times here. Anyway, let's continue. Pius said, "Good evening, Biafrans. Inobong, I can say we move. This our brother, Aken. That is Inobong. Inobong, you must come from Riverine area, and I would like to hear your voice because you are the only person that I can. I've seen your comment in the past that come from South or Riverine area that's making sense. I mean, when I see your comment, I feel like you are more reasonable than many people who claim they are non with Ogenkere. And also say, brother, never mind anyone talking trash to your platform. We love what you are doing. God bless you. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate. Together we stand strong. That's Innovan. So my people, we have done justice to that. Okay, Gabriel is here. Gabriel said, you people are doing well. Our good Lord will continue to bless you all. Science Innovation Brother, he said nobody knows you, but he is here watching you with the data made people mad people rule. But no, my brother, I am a nobody. And that is what I want. That is what I want to be honest with you. And you understand? So thank you guys for that. I'm done with that. My brother, we are here to talk about many things. I'm not gonna lie. We would like to discuss something very, very important. Many of you know what is going on. Like people spend their time cutting and joining video to cajole and to blackmail others. That's what is now trending. A Biafran movement that Mazamagano started afterwards, Wike issue and everything.
Mm.
Then we spent years before Mazamagano surfaced. When he started, people begin to question him. This is Owazulike 2.0. I remember those days I was arguing with my brother. He told me that forget about that guy. Actually, I something now. This said was speaking about Nabo. I remember those days. Then he did not. He proved that he's not Owazulike, and he's still standing. Then Samuel Ekpa joined the prime minister, and exposed many things and bring the Biafran movement to another level.
Yes, so.
People who followed PM, it's assumed they know better than people who were with Master Morgan. Not that Master did not do his job, he did. But you can only take a horse to a river, okay? But you cannot force that horse to drink water. Now, the Master is knowledgeable and strong does not mean that everybody with him would be like him. Some people join him for fame, for criminality, to siphon money, to even drag him down to expose him to make more money. And most of them have succeeded. That's just the fact. Some of them that they were not driven to build any house, they now have multi-millions mansions. If you know, you know. And I'm gonna leave it there. Then come to time of convention. The people travel to Finland to do, to the first convention. It was very, very successful. Then PM planned everything to start up with, structure that will enable Biafra to be redeclared. And one of the things is to validate how many people actually wanted Biafra, and he created self-referendum. As nobody wants to pay attention about referendum, about what is going on, he drafts his own way, one of the best way ever. I don't think that it has happened anywhere in the world. If maybe it has happened, but what PM did, okay, can never be wiped out in the history. I'm not talking about Biafran history. Nobody believes that black people will do what PM have done in space of 3 to 4 years. Then Biafran voted. Someone like me, I've never voted in my life. I'm not gonna lie. You understand? People voted. Then after voting, Biafra went to Finland to declare Biafra. Before then, some group of people that were with Mazaman that are still head bent in making sure they destroy everything they connive with other people that are working with PM to do what they did. And some people who claim they have high profile in Igbo land, join them and make sure that they take PM away or they shut him up. Now, after that, people celebrated. Like some people celebrated after the kidnapping of Mazaman, like the Joe of this world. Knelt down and thank God that Mazaman had been captured. I can't forget that video. Then the same thing happened after PM. Some people actually did the same thing. Funny enough, those who did that in the recent one after PM, today, many of them are in cities of Europe carrying Biafran flag, protesting to achieve Biafra. What is madness? I mean, in our land, we have more mad people than normal people. I'm telling you honestly, madness doesn't mean you have to wear tattered clothes and start feeding from West Bin. There are madness, corporate madness. That's what corporate madness is. What is holding many people today. People will put suit and tie, dress very fine, but their brain is filled with the maggots. You fought PM to make sure that you stop him with everything in you, and to stop him from getting Biafra. Then, after you succeeded with the help of other people that I don't need to start calling names now, everything happened the way it happened. Today, they are now carrying another flag agitators. Flag agitators. We have flag agitators and the Photoshop agitators. They are very active now. Ogenkere group. Everybody in their media are very good in cut and join videos and Photoshop. Then DOS are flag. The aim is to make sure that you, who maybe you don't have time to analyze what they're doing, the aim is for you to fall back and fall side, because as you're falling back to the Ogenkere, then people, the DOS, are waiting for you to fall to their left-hand side for you to carry your flag. How much are they? I don't know how to print the flag. It seems like to be one of the easiest things to do in Europe, because all of them have flags, different flag, as if they're doing carnival. You spend money and your energy to stop somebody who is doing that you cannot do. Then you now organize yourself again to carry flag. 2012, you carry flag. 2013, you carry flag. 14, flag. 15 flag, 16 flag, 17 flag, 18 flag, 19, 20, 20, 2021, until now. And each time you want to do something to stop them from carrying flag, to test other things different, they will call for your head. And all this while they have been succeeding in eliminating and stopping people from doing something they cannot do. The annoying part is the new group now. Their own is too deadly. They're intelligent. The other one look like they don't have the brain is not there because the only thing they do is to carry flag. But this one with Ogenkere, they are more deadly, and I will tell you why. If you do maybe if you make a speech of 4 hours or 5 hours, they will sit down and watch that, waiting for any mistake, any slip of tongue. They will cut it. Look at it. This is real. And their own leader, don't talk, don't make any speech. What the guy is doing is whispering. Go and watch his broadcast. Even one of his broadcasts, he was pointing finger like this. The same thing they're criticizing others. They are propagandist machine, all of them from A to Z, and they have the chief of it all, whom we are going to talk about his own part of Biafra today. So now, Barawa. Why I'm touching all those things, because for you to know what is going on around and where the whole thing is heading. Okay? Yeah. And I don't want to waste much of your time. My brother Exodus, before we go to one of the things that brought us here, I would like to hear from you. The DOS current flag today, because some people don't even know that they're protesting in Europe now. Okay, 10 hours ago, protesting. Some of you may be shocked. What are they? They're seeking for referendum.
You don't enter street again.
Sorry?
You don't enter street again.
I don't enter what?
You like say you are not here. Are you hearing me?
Your voice is very fainty. Very, very fainty. Not at all. Your voice disappear.
Can you hear me now?
Finally, the thunderous voice we know is back. Let's get
they don't enter street again.
Okay, you know what? Should we start from that? Is it okay? Let me.
Anyway, we want make we start to God's own glory one.
People are mad, honestly. They're in streets of they only can protest where they will see hamburger and buy. A hamburger. You just eat a hamburger and because I was told that they're good at sleeping with each other. I bought to my buy and a protest. So even a mmekọrịta ya nabakwa ike bụkwa. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere.
The only main important thing here, I would always like to pay and my pay. First of all, can Kelegodo more Biafra. Make I greet Biafrans first. And Biafrans, greetings to my good citizens of Biafrans all over the world. Umife. I salute each of every one of you. We are here once again to deliberate with my brother. And Ogadrono Manototo. Ogadrono Mane, Ogadrono Manabale. Onogadiki Echi. And Echiana Agwago. Ndumini, Ndoaz. We are here bringing message of redemption to the hearts and the minds of our people. So whatever thing we're going to discuss here tonight with my brother, I pray and I hope that we are going to learn one or two things. I pray that I hope that our people are going to be encouraged. I pray that I hope that those that are being misled will come back to their senses. So I want us to open up our mind, open up our spirit for us to relate. Because we are representing the movement of the people, for the people, and by the people. So as we are moving We are progressing. So let us just pay attention. And all I know, one thing I know is that whatever event of la potran each new by day, either it is negative or it is positive. And I know I won't believe through na Biafran government. I know I believe through that na Anyamogo government. I know I'm gonna bambe from that na I ain't gonna move my educate. I know I'm gonna make one effort if that na I want remain on focus. I am gonna make the effort for that now. I'm gonna pass our people not at home the rightful information for them not to be misled. All the very, very important. And I make you opportunity. I want to encourage every other broadcasters out there. Nkoblo nyobla na-ekwu ya jụọ ese ọfụma. Nkoblo nyobla chọrọ nkoblo nyobla na-eme ya behave well. Ka onye ọbụla na-akwanyere onwe ya ugwu. Because ịkwanyere struggle ugwu, struggle ga-akwanyere gị ugwu. So as we are moving, we are progressing. So as can I continue from my brother, Kai report. Kai, I yield my mic. So carry me along.
Okay, just mute your mic. Just mute your mic. Let me, you say we should start from anywhere, right? I believe many of our brothers here are watching the video, the picture that you are seeing here. Okay, these are the same. This is not 2024. This is picture. This is not 2023. Okay, this is because I got information that they are planning protest, but I did not pay attention on the particular date. Today, I'm not seeing that they have uploaded their activities somewhere in Europe. Okay, because to them, the man that stopped them from having grit, trying to gain more strength is not available as we speak, which is Simon Epa. So they have not gathered themselves again to do what they know how to do best. All of them are waiting to looking for money to be donated. Okay, look at it now. This is like I said, when you see them holding placards like this, you think that they're very good, they mean something nice. It's not at all. Please, we are almost 90 people watching as we speak. Only 28 people managed to hit like button. Please like the video. In case if you are not seeing the like button or the option to like the video, there's three dots on top of your right hand corner on your phone. Locate it and tap it. It will show you another box where you will see the like option. Why you need to like it? Because we want others to receive notifications so that the algorithm of the platform will push it to other people to join us while we are still streaming. Very, very important that they do so. As you can see here, in case if you are doubting me, check the time they uploaded this one. And this is 11 hours ago. 11 hours ago, meaning that it could be yesterday. And as during his ex broken, he said that everybody else who does not want their friend to come, that God will punish the person. He meant God should remove the bad ones from liars. Okay, I saw your comment. Now this is the video. There is not one, it's not two. Okay. For you to know that why I'm showing you these pictures is for you to know that I did not just talk because I want to talk. Okay. All these people you are seeing here are Igbo people who are not contributing a dime, a fathom whatsoever. Nothing to show that they care about what is going on in our land. As long as they have some people in homeland hoping on them to buy one bag of rice, hoping on them to pay house rent, they are content. There are some people. Let me say this: some of us don't know that some of these people, abroad, derive joy in seeing you going through hell and hoping on them, so that you see them as mini god. Because once they send a few dollars to you, you'll be jumping up and down, respecting them, and then anything you can see this guy. Many of you know this one. You know him, right? Anybody, if you don't know this guy, then you are watching, you are following the reference issue, on radio. You must be using radio to follow everything, not anything video, because this is the guy they called Isaiah Oba. Okay, one that will always attacking PM every time, calling him that boy, that boy. Look at him. You see, he's holding. He's not okay. This is drink, if I'm not mistaken. And watching streaming live. Uh-huh. Now, if this enjoyment they're having here, this fun, get together, King Abraham made it to do with it Biafra to obstruct this kind of annual carnival they're doing. You might have got you guys something because this is just like Christmas party, that kind of thing. So if you dare try it, it is a St. Patrick's parade. St. Patrick parade. Okay, this is St. Patrick parade. And somebody is saying that it's St. Patrick parade, but you mean this parade is for another thing, but they turn it to Biafran parade. Is that what I mean? What they're saying? Because all we are seeing here is Biafran color. Okay, today is St. Patrick's Day parade. So let me go back. So I think they use the opportunity to do the matching. Okay, because maybe if they try to call this parade on their own, it's not going to go down well. This one says Kai report. Please change the topic to Adadarama. It will make more sense. William, go and start your own platform. If you don't like what I'm saying, you can check out. I don't like such people. So I should change it to Adadarama. This is the kind of people. You guys are making me to be harsh on you. So what you are looking for is Adadarama topic. Adadarama, that is what you are looking for. Saga lovers. That's why I gain more followers sharply because we have many people like you. Let me flip the camera back to respond to you so you see my face. You, William Oyeka, you need to change your name. Put it to maybe William or something else.
Well, I talk about it.
No, you don't. How can you come here in space of 20 something minutes of this broadcast? You don't know what I'm saying. You are able to switch it to that my issue so it will make more sense. That's your comment. Did you just hear yourself? So all you want is fighting. Like I said, that's why if you want to grow platform now, start saga, and you turn it upside. You drive joy from that. Anyway, let me say something. What I want to say. This kind of people, they are the ones that spend their time signing petition after petition after petition. He said you cannot even stand ordinary comments. You cannot even you cannot even start up your own platform. Do you understand? And for what you just said now, you are going to go to that immediately. I'm gonna ban you from this platform. I can't stand stupid people like you. You guys are the one promoting attack after attack after attack after attack. Imagine Adadarama what she's doing now. Even after going back to Ogenke, you guys are still watching her because you don't get anything. You don't want to learn anything. What you want is saga. That's all. What the Adadarama said. What the person said. What this person said. I can't stand it, to be honest with you. I really love that part you said that I can't stand the ordinary comments. You think that is ordinary. Your stupidity is not ordinary. It is beyond my control. I remember now what your problem and people look at. You never know that I should change the topic to that. Okay, from your life. Anyway, they spend time making sure that PM and Biafran movement, Biafran declaration stopped because they want to get something. Now, we have another group of people that are doing similar thing, but in a different way. Today, let us go to now. Just hear this. Gift, I see you. I see you. Please, I'm coming back to comment section to greet many of you, not all, because I don't think I will read everything. Just hear this. Let me flip the camera. Like, I'm talking about people who are busy trying to use a different thing to deceive other people, just to make sure that you paint somebody who is helping you bad. Okay, paint that person bad for them to grow, for them to rise and do something they want to do, which is taking your money as you are contributing money that they're building houses without you knowing. Because the clique they are using, once you take any of them away, they will fight you dirty. Hear this. Tell DPM USB Nigeria, Nigerian Islamic affiliated, that we see that her group sent her to use Biafra money to support finalizing arrangements to raise the sum of 20 billion Modroba. So I don't know what is that, to beef up the East additional tie. One capital with the aim of fueling its business expansion. Now, after saying this, let me look at it here. Business expansion drive, thereby endangering the life of Biafrans, but you came late and you cannot stop what Simon Ekpa built for your Islamic jihad to prevail. Now, when you hear Simon Ekpa, like he said it here, when you hear that kind of thing, it sounds like he cares so much about you and well-being of and then Biafran's welfare, what they want to do. It's not true. And putting Simon Ekpa's what Samora build, who actually is trying to destabilize that and weaken it, it is him and his group. They started it and they're doing everything to continue doing the same thing. Now, the news here from Vanguard, as you can see on the screen here, talking about this money. So it has nothing to do with the Biafra. It has nothing to do with the COS. It has nothing to do with Indibo. Nothing at all. But this guy trying to convert it, that once you are contributing money to COS, that COS is using that money to fund this Islamic movement here. This is, remember, I started by telling you the lies. Cut and join agitators. The other DOS are their own. Any slight opportunity they see, they carry flag to make you believe they're doing something. I mean, they are doing something for you to, to believe them, but it is not true. The same guy that is doing this, dishing out all manner of lies. Today's news from Punch newspaper, as you can see here, have it that thousands of Akwa Ibom State Polytechnic in Ikotu Osura, I don't know the place, Ikoto Ekpene local government area of state on Monday protested the high level of insecurity and police brutality, declaring that they are no longer saved. This is from Sonakbarawa's region. But when you check his handle, he's busy telling you ndị Igbo na sabotage na ndị Igbo bụ ka ndị Igbo na Simon Ekpa what Simon Ekpa build. What Simon Ekpa is doing. What is going on? USB Nigeria. USB Nigeria. You begin to wonder, what is he actually want? Is it that this guy don't check about what's going on in his own region? Let us be honest. If he actually mean good for Biafra, like he really want Biafra to come, by now you'll be hearing that some group from his region contributing something to support what is going on. You'll be hearing that today's is Aquabanites or whatever they call themselves. They have gathered to meet their APM to do something. I'm not saying do it to USB. Just understand what I'm saying. Since they claim, they want you to believe that Ogekere is the right person, they are getting you Biafra. Then from his own side, what are they doing? Nothing. What you see, random people, hello brother, I am not Igbo. I'm from a riverine area. I'm from Delta. I am from Ijo. He's just speaking part of Biafra. He's just speaking part of Biafra. I am from Oron. Brother, Igbo people are the problem of this agitation. Igbo people are they love to sabotage themselves. Igbo people are the problem that we are having. You'll be busy on your own platform or trying to explain to them how Igbo people are the one receiving the punishment and what is going on. Then on the other hand, someone will be telling you that Igbo people who do not this thing, that you guys are trying, you guys are, are spoiling everything. Why don't you do this and why don't you do that? But they don't pay attention to something that matter. All this blackmail against US, it is not true. But you see a grown-up man lying with everything, even when you have the truth in your hand, they don't care because they are shameless. That's why every shameless individual around always end up in their hand, because bed of the same father, you understand. They always gather together. They always do things in common because they know their brothers and sisters. They know that once they come together in that forum, in that group, it is all about lie. Who will lie? Who will lie best? Who will lie? Who will dish out the best lie? That's what that if you can do that, then you'll be recognized. Anyway, my brother, do you have anything to say about it? Because I can go on and on. I just want to hear from you. I don't know if you are hearing me. Do you have anything to say about it?
Please, you
What
can
you
finish. And we can finish all the whole news now, and then we'll come back to discussion now.
Okay. So, um, like like I said, when you hear these people talking about what Samoneba is building, or what Samoa built, that CS is destroying that, it's destroying everything. Everything is no longer the way it is. Please remember this news. Few days ago, they also showed you this one. Okay, that they also told, just a moment. They told us that putting finger like this, okay, as you can see here, that CS representing Fulani. Okay, that this finger means paying a kind of recognizing jihad and sharia and all of that, which I've told us is not true. That brings me to issue of the trending video today. One of the trending video that CS said that there's a slip of tongue from her broadcast, and where she's supposed to say Biafra, she said Nigeria. They call that part, and they're using that now to deceive people. And I wish that once we open our line here, some of them, I want them to call in and ask that question, like, tell us how that audio. Then you tell me if you have not made a slip of tongue in your life. So some people, they actually believe that they can use that to nail people down. Even those who formed that they are spiritualists, all this while, are using their own mouth and their platform to promote something that it is very clear to them that it's not true. They will be lying and lying after lying, thinking that they're doing what is right. If you are good in giving falsehood, lying to people, there's no way you will fight for Biafra. Like you will defend anything like freedom like that. It's not possible, because your own is to follow what you want to follow, because you want to follow it thinking people are so blind to understand what you are doing. Now, somebody said, let me just go to comment section. Gift Okeke said, is Adado Ramas said that my brother, is Adado Ramas that says that my brother or my sister. I don't get your question, Gift, to be honest with you. I don't get it at all. And Jamie, I said, so now Parawa's hunger is driving him to lie even with his own life. So shameless, a human being at his age. Sometimes ago, someone said that God will Akpabio contracted Sona Barawa as he did to Nsima. But I don't know if it is true or not. I'm not sure about it. I heard it too, but I'm not sure as well. Stella says, since I returned from Finland, I have never watched or listened to Sonny, Raf, and Oge Kere and his group. Never. Mm. That means your brain is very intact. You must have the strength to understand the level of lies and cut and join that they are sharing on social media. It is very, very shameful. Very, very shameful. Let's say Mark said this guy, Akbarawa, is evil. Very good in deceiving his followers, especially those listening to his space. That Rama Sabo, that is uh, invest. I can't read all this thing you said here. Pius is here. Mr. Kai, please, my brother, please like Mr. Kai, please, my brother. People like me are here to learn from this platform. I am appealing you to forget about anything that can change your mind. Okay, thank you so much for that. But sometimes, in a platform like this, you will see people that are cool-headed and people that are actually have mental. Anyway, my brother, you can carry on here. Let me share this broadcast, okay? Just give me a moment. Exodus, are you there?
To regards of is it in regards of Sona Brawa, in regards of to Sona Brawa news that you just read, Otago, you can see that Sona Brawa is somebody that have made up his mind to actually render everything useless. Sometimes when I read his news, I don't even like paying attention to some of the things that he's saying, because I know that guy is very, very dangerous. That guy is have already determined to useless Biafran government, but the guy is very, very small. You can see the level of insecurity going on to his own place. You can see the level of insecurity now going on to his own place. They normally use never na normal ekwu that na mmiri ga-eru nwoke nke oriri ibe ya. Yotago. No, anyị nwawu ndị Igbo ndị bụ the struggle and issue. Igbo Biafrans. Actually, now is the Igbo Biafrans they carry the whole weight upon their shoulder. They're the one contributing money. They're the one and the Sona Brawa now is claiming to be a Biafran. And Mazi Samunepa brought him in, at least for him to represent his Calabar people. You understand? For him to represent his Calabar people, and at the same time use him so that he will be creating a much awareness to his own people. But since PM Samunepa brought this guy inside this Biafran movement, brought him inside the cabinet, you can realize that Sonat Barawa, I've never seen Sonat Barawa using his own native dialect, speaking to his own people, in kind of encouraging them to come and join this struggle, kind of encouraging them to come and contribute, to donate, because I always hear him donate. I never see him using his platform to speak his own native language. Like some of us here, we will normally use Joku Igbo. We will normally use our native language, speaking to our own people. You understand? I've never seen him done that. But he's in the midst of Igbo Biafrans. He's now in the midst of Igbo Biafrans, even controlling. CPM gave him power, even controlling now most of the intelligent Igbo Biafrans, controlling them, giving orders to them. But he cannot even give orders to his own people. I don't know if I'm making a point here. You understand? He cannot even give orders to his own people. Now, if he talks about, he opened up his mouth last time around. He says that if we Igbo Biafran refuse to donate, refuse to bring our money to support their group, that now Igbo, Anyị nwawu ndị Igbo, achọrọ m iji okwu Igbo wee kwuo nke a. Anyị nwawu ndị Igbo ndị a na-egbu, na papa anyị na mama anyị na ụmụazị anyị, na anyị nwa ka a ga na-egbu. Ịghọtago? And when you hear this kind of when you hear this kind of delegatory statement coming out from this individual, it makes me thinking. You understand? Now it makes me asking myself, what is the intention? What is the intention of this group? What is their intention? Like kind of here with their intention, I thought we are in one boat. I thought we are working with one vision. I thought we believe in this particular dream. Why is it that this individual that are every time they're saying Biafra, 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 but when you check out their characteristics, when you check out the kind of fruit they are producing in this Biafran agitation, sometimes it marvels me. It marvels me. So in conclusion, I came to realize that I don't need to be paying attention. I don't even need to be paying attention to some of these channels that are saying Biafran, 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 that actually have bad intention against these Biafran agitations. I don't need to be going to their platform to be listening to what they are doing. Because when you go to their platform, all you see there is lies. All you see there is lies. All you see there is propaganda. All you see there is blackmail. Would you just imagine somebody that is, look at what you just read now. You see is writing there, USB, Nigeria, COS, now under working with Fulani jihadis. Working with the Fulani jihadis. Who is he actually referring to? Who is he actually referring to? He's referring to COS. Good. I want to make una reason this thing. Eh? This guy is somebody that has been working with this COS under under Mazi Samonepa. All of them were together under the same cabinet. Eh? When he was with PM Samonepa, why he didn't call this COS jihadist agent? Came on upon COS jihadist agent that time. That's the question. Eh? When he was working with a PM, when PM was around, all of us we are under one umbrella. Now, what changes? What changes? I'm not saying that even when we are, I'm not saying that all we're going on under the same umbrella. I'm not saying that it's not likely that we may not have misunderstanding. Misunderstanding may come up anytime, any day, even in a family. Even in a family, even if as Sky is not there now, I am here. Sometimes as a family, you may do have misunderstanding with your wife. It's a natural phenomenon. You may have understanding with your children. It's a natural phenomenon. But that will not make you, if I have a misunderstanding with my family or my wife or my children, that will not make me to call my wife terrorist. One always because now, no matter what this agreement I have with my family, it will not make me to call my children call my children they are terrorists. Because you calling your children or your wife a terrorist, you are actually opening a gateway for an enemy to come and destroy your family. And when you begin to make this kind of derogatory statement against your colleague, what are you trying to achieve? What are you trying to achieve? That's the question now. Yeah, so that now every time they will open up their channel and they'll be cursing this woman, they'll be saying all manners of lies, they'll be threatening the enemies. The signals they are passing in now, go and destroy her. They are trying to let our enemies go and destroy her. Just go and destroy her. And when they destroy her now, what is going to be your gain? What is going to be your, because after your enemy might have using you to destroy your brother and your sister, the same enemy will still come for your head. Why don't Abami Hemen, they know the reason I'm that way. Eh? Okay, now we are hearing Kepu that this Sona Parawa now, his brother, Senator Babio, contacted him to bring down this struggle. If it is possible, because it's under alleged, if it is possible that he have an arrangement with Sonia Akpabio to do this kind of thing, and at the end of the day, and he was able to achieve it, do you understand? What is going to be the gain of Sonia Parawa? What is going to be the gain? And when you are eating that money, how are you going to feel relaxed? So, brother, we need to be connecting dots in all these kind of little things. Now, after castigating the PM COS on his own tweet, what is he trying to achieve? He's just trying to poison the minds of our people. The same Igbo Biafra. So, this is where I'm heading. He's just trying to poison the minds of our people against this government. Because this guy now, I've come to realize this guy have a personal hatred against Igbo Biafrans. To be honest with you, Kai. This guy have a personal hatred. That's one kind of hatred he have against Igbo Biafrans. And what marvels me also too, all those Igbo Biafrans now working with Sonny Aparawa. One on a Hana that now this guy Hana working with now this guy when internal enmity with them. Why are they not seeing it? Why are they not seeing it? Okay, because you know when the differences, some of these Igbo Biafrans are now working with Sonny Aparawa. Because you know when differences with COS, you know when hatred, COS no. I want to destroy the entire agitation. Is that what's going to be the reason for you to destroy the entire? I don't know. Eh? Omo Biafrans, this is the time for us to pay attention. Because whenever we are reading all this news, we are reading all this kind of bringing out some of this news from the enemy's camp, it's passing a signal. The signal is the guy is just trying to let you know. Please be very, very careful where you listen to, where you collect information from. And whenever you see this kind of information, make sure you have you on your critical thinking, analyze things, and pass your sound judgment. And don't allow this kind of set of people to deceive you. That's the only signal I'm getting from there. So in coming in terms of this regarding IPOB Nigeria doing protests in wherever they are doing protests now. For me, one I'm and that neighbor become watch. Yotago, Ebonyebi, Konawachi. IPOB Nigeria now, they are not giving up. This is their group, this is their own firm, this is their own company, and some of their leadership there, all they are just doing for them to make sure they still convince their members that they are still on. And at the end of the day, they are still looking for that contribution. They not believe on this street. They are looking for that pocket for you to contribute to them. So for me, I am against that one on the street in a flag. One way or the other, they are still advertising the Biafran movement for me on the positive side. But on the negative side, the intention of the intention of it's what really matters. All the flag now the street of Europe. Biafra something I'm against that. But all that flag in Europe the whole world for the awareness. Then when we're in support of natural Kenya in this Biafra, you all know behind the ocha, that flag. I'm okay with it. I use my mic for now, my brother. Right on.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Exodus. You have just hammered it the way it's supposed to normally do anyway. Let me just reply what you just said quickly. You see, this issue of these people carrying flag in Europe, if there's any positive there, there's no, how can they give positive? When they are the one that made sure they fought PM tooth and nail, they fought him dirty. Like, even if you want to go to mod, you know, if they can fight PM, even in the toilet, they are willing to send themselves to make sure that they break him down. There's nothing good coming. There's nothing. Even if I see them now in the this is my own opinion. Even if I see them in front of United Nations, inside the United Nations, they like UN give them audience to bring their grievances. I am still suspecting them. I don't believe it because there's no way you will fast the way they 4 p.m. and you can bring anything good. That's number one. Number two, the issue of slip of tongue from that CS broadcast. All of us are making mistakes daily. Do you understand? I sometimes I even here on my platform, I have made a lot of mistakes here. Do you understand? Then if you want to avoid being, you don't want people to see you that you are making mistake, then leave social media and leave everything public speech. Like you want to speak to in the public, you want to say something that people will hear. My dear, issue if you're afraid of making mistake, don't even try to open any platform because you must make it. It's so banker. No matter how level you think you have, no matter the certificate you have, you will make mistake. Even white people are making mistake in their own language. Some of us is second, some of us is third language. And COS, the mistake but being that they already have hatred, okay, they are celebrating that like never before. our sister Tina said something here. He said, even Mad Simon Ekpa have made such a mistake in Ejiro's platform, where he said, you know that Biafran is dead, instead of saying that you know that Biafran is not dead. DOS used that one by a war for years. Are you getting it now? Honorable has never did anything since the Igbo first. That's the reason I put phone number here. Don't just hide on comment section. If you have a question, call. Okay, you can call now. That's your question. Come on with it. Just come up with it, and we can iron it out here. Yeah. Or when if I am get the one, just come up. Udod. Just come up. We can iron it here. You understand? I can see your comments. Everybody is not. Nobody's above mistake. That's number one. You cannot claim that you know it all, you have seen it all, without you, others are nothing. It doesn't work that way. Now, let us touch about this why is such in France. There's a lot of audio flying everywhere now. Her past speech. There's the one that even our brother Kenena played today. I was laughing when I was watching that video. You see, one thing in life is that God created us and gave us privilege to choose what we want to do. If you chose to do the good thing, you see it. If you want to be a sabo, but sabo with that sense is very, very difficult to manage. Everything that she said in the past, she is not going back to the same thing. Like something that she condemned publicly, that she will never ever go this one. All this thing is just the same thing that I said when we started this broadcast. That many of us are doing what we are doing now because maybe you don't know, some know, but when it comes to this group of people, in the cut and join agitators, they have one thing in common. Anybody working for them have the same thing: money. As long as it has to do with money, they will even they will eat their own pool. They will go back to their own pool, their own vomit, and eat it and smile, because sabo without shame is one of the most deadliest of it all. You can sabotage, hiding and all that. Okay. But you see this level of sabotage, your video and everything you said is there in interval of 2-3 months. You are you are everywhere already. Everywhere. I want to remind you of this. I played it before. I'm gonna play it again. The togetherness of this woman with Ogenkere. Remember, she told us that Ogenkere paid her $400, right? Ogenkere paid her $400, and that $400 that Ogenkere paid is something that she's not going back to continue taking again. You know the video where she was talking about okay, that video is a video voice message that she made after receiving money from Oge. You know, when I played it for the first time, I don't even know what happened, why that message and everything. But now I'm not getting the point. It's the same thing that we are saying. People that can do anything to gain something. Now let's just watch this one, because pay attention. Listen, hear this. Like that. Our chief of staff, we are going to do everything to support her. And she can never fall. Come on, I need that to come easy. Or is I feel it? Or now shout to guy now we super chat. Anybody now money that you now have a very strong agitator. Na American no kuli fa na why put hand na not nigga bawo no so no why one of that pota. Then o take o say na bo yem bona ndi mbona ndege. My brother, I'm a makegedo, but then them no the lie. Okay? Ndimbo know the lie. That's the ancient people, original, our great grandfathers. These are the people that can die standing on the truth. If what they don't eat their words, even at point of death, they don't eat their words. There's a story of some Igbo slaves in somewhere in America that drowned instead of them to be a slave. How many of you have listened to that story? My brother, are you aware of this story that what I just said that? Have you come across it? Exodus.
The story they are.
Ndị Igbo abụọ na-aga na America
And okay, yeah. I'm aware. That's who we are. A minute. A minute. I've got the mic. Go him to put there.
Okay.
In my that story, that story of those in the Igbo akpọrọ ka slave. Yotago hapụta aga drown one ha n'ime mmiri. That's actually who we are. That's actually if you know to amana again or now. If you know to amu ife no now. That is actually the true Biafrans. Biafrans, instead of them to be a slave, ọkamma na ha nwụrụ anwụ. Ịwọcha maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọ na-ekwu ya n'ọnụ. Ọ sị na ọkamma na ya nwụrụ anwụ na ya nọ ndụ to see his people being enslaved. But if you ndị sabu asa, if you all these traitors are, ndị niile fụ all these traitors are not among us. You watch their lifestyle, you watch their attributes in this country. These people they prefer to be slave than liberation. I prefer that now to if I in they're actually trying to go back to that money if I yotago. Nda true Biafrans. If you true Biafrans, if you brand envelope yotago, you will not make how the true Biafran nwere ike ịnara that brown envelope na-ekwukwa eziokwu info na-ekwu even guzie gị wayo nara gị the money ahụ rie ya yotago my point wee sịkwa gị that na nwanne ihe anyị ego ifo ọ na-eri kịta na o richakwa sef na ihe anyị chọrọ ka o mee na ọ ga-eme ya ama m yọtara my point ịwọcha kịta na okay now let me just use this as an example now. Okay, our CEO is now a mistake akpọ ya no mistake o mere that now we're going to board plane. You're going to board plane. Then Biafrans is going to go back to Nigeria. Just that statement alone now, go back to Nigeria. Okay, for us to work out to that side there now to rubbish or every good effort. They just want to cut that side to rubbish that every good effort, and for them rubbishing that good effort, through Biafrans. They don't want to pay attention to your good effort. They are looking for fault. And that's what they find they look for. On the slavery mentality and they look this kind of unnecessary fault.
My brother, we need to also verify that part because this group are known for cut and John. It could be that she has said this in the court, this man has done it. I'm still doubting that she actually said it. But whether she said it or not, nobody is above mistake.
But I said now. Now statement to make we know what she really meant. Yotago boarding plane and we are going to go back to Biafran land and develop our place. That is that the meaning.
Let us hear from this person, then you continue.
All right.
Hello. Good evening to you. Nice to have you. Can you speak up? Your voice is very, very dim. Very, very faint. Can you speak up? Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. It's better now.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Good evening, Biafrans all over the world. My brother, people are doing a very great work. Very great work. It's just that when you are looking at people, because of hatred, they want to do so many things. They want to bring out the struggle down in the sense that when because of money or because of hatred or because of position, you are looking for position in which you know that you cannot be capable of doing carry out that position, and the government. Because of that, I have to do this, I have to do that. Start lying up and down. Start lying up and down. It's crazy. You know that God will just leave them to just go out for their own track of life, so that when they are fully restored, they will not know where they belongs to. And for what I really don't, I really want. I don't know. You people are not in cabinet. Is that this baby you come and confess, oh sorry, I've done this, I've done that because of I did not know where I was standing. Please forgive me. Everybody forgive you. Next time you come again and see you doing it. I think right now we're supposed to maybe create a kind of law, which by if you miss out of the track of the law, then the law will pull you out. Because what both Sonia Parawa, both Ajere, both Adajuma, all of them, what they are doing is very wrong. Even will come in and be lying for the USB government. Why do you need to lie for the USB? You will find fault when there is no fault. You will be finding fault when there is no fault. People should allow the government to work strong so that we will achieve what our aims and everybody go back. Not everybody would like to stay forever like Cubans with other countries. If we need to go back, we can develop our place. Everybody go back, develop our place, and stay as we created to stay peacefully. So these people are dragging government back. We like our TPA was saying that they should stay on their own. That the government has a lot to do. Let them allow the woman to carry out her own task. Let them carry their own house, their own task. Everybody or what everything to do different of their capacity. They pick up their own task and doing it. They should lead person. Person will do something that will say, oh, you don't do it right. You're supposed to do it. Oh, you do that, not the right thing. You do it. When another person see that you did the right thing, they will say, oh, kudos to you, you are doing the right thing. They will copy you. Not for you to say, okay, you're all right, you don't do it. The person that is doing the right thing, you don't allow the person to do the right thing. It's something else. My brother, people are doing a good job. God continue to bless you. Carry on, my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I've made your point. God bless you, my brother. Nice to have you. So that's our brother there. One thing you need to understand is that, as we were saying, ndị mbụ know the lie. Ndị mbụ know the lie. Ndị mbụ na ndị eke. That the story of Igbo people that drown instead of being a slave. That is when you hear people with honor, like you don't eat your words. People who don't go back to their community. Hello?
My brother.
One mother cake him.
This is to you, Triple M, my brother.
I know.
Ndewo maazị. Ndewo maazị. Ndewo maazị.
That I can get my n'ọtụnkwa be anyị mgbe n'ọtụnkwa n'ọtụnkwa. You see, my brother, we must continue in this particular struggle as we are on the liberation side. Now, liberation time. So absolutely nothing will stop us. Anybody that has been in this particular cause genuinely will understand whatever thing that is playing out now. Hope I'm coming out clearly.
Very, very loud.
Now, as we speak, fast forward to during the time of our PM and DOS. At a point in time, DOS, they have nothing to offer anymore. They're not having to, analyzing whatever thing our PM does. Any step our PM they analyze it.
Okay.
Thereby, discrediting it. Thereby, announcing him the more.
Mm-hmm.
Now, they are now analyzing whatever thing our DPM did. The same thing DOS did. That is what is saying us now. Now, we have so many people in this particular cause of freedom. But I must say that many of us in this particular cause never believed that Biafra will come. Because they are there for business. When I say they are there for business, they are there for business. Whatever thing they are doing there, they are there working for their money. There are people there, trying to, make people to know them that they are fighting for Biafra, thereby advertising themselves for buying over, which they are succeeding about it. And our DPM is telling you that we are going home this year, mass return. They thought it was a joke. They are laughing on it. They can buy Jonah according to Bible. Christ Jonah or Ubo. Ndị mmadụ na-achị ya ọchị si lekwe nwoke ma maka ihe ọ na-eme n'isi adịghị ya mma mgbe o setiri ha mara afọ. Now, our DPM is saying that they are negotiating for strike that will apply to Biafra land. If she made a mistake in slip of tongue, are you aware as it stands today, there is nothing like direct strike from Europe, any part of the world to Biafra land? Are you aware? I don't know if anybody is aware of it.
Yeah.
There is nothing like that. Now, let me shock you the more. Why she says so is this. As we are fighting for our freedom, at the same time, we are dislodging anything zoo in Biafra land. When the time comes, in the sense that maybe we have, succeeded in getting what we want, disorganizing everything concerning zoo. You tell me that if we never negotiate for any flight that will fly direct, our people will still be going to Lagos. So we are flying ahead. And these people are there, we use it as a caricature, as a mockery. I don't understand how people reason. Once we disorganize zoo, have it in mind that no flight coming from any part of the world to Biafra land. It is these people that we negotiated with that accepted in our terms and conditions. They are the people that will be coming to our land directly. So our people do that period that will be nothing like a loophole. Our people will know the who that on a hostage in the sense that they can't get a flight to Biafra land. They will first of all go to Lagos. But with that arrangement, we are coming home direct. And our people are in the people think that this Biafra is a kind of a joke of a thing because they don't know the stage behind. That is why you see them talking rubbish, making mockery. But they feel that the more they make that mockery, the more they announce our DPM. Because when you bring them to your platform trying to discredit her, people that doesn't know her will come closer to listen what she was saying, to listen to her program, thereby reading meaning for what the woman is doing and what she's saying. But as a fool they see it as a mockery.
My brother,
these people, they don't know what is coming actually. They don't know what is coming.
Thank you so much. This is the way, like what our sister said here. Tina said that DOS was busy using mistakes of PM that they are the one that made it go viral, which is true. When PM made a mistake in I think a zero platform, I believe, I don't know the person's
They
platform.
take it.
And they caught that part. I have told us before now that almost everything that US are known for, what we have seen from in the past, is what these guys are doing over and over and over and over again. Then,
now,
yes.
Now, you are aware that we no longer see anything. We no longer see anything like the big are white.
No, that one that can't have any meaning now.
Listen to me now. Those same people that were fighting our PM have hidden under the umbrella of OG. Even those that went for protest, they have been known by protesting on the street, while the Japan government is doing inward work, going office, presenting the documents to the people that matter. Then they on the street making noise there. They also crediting what we are doing as well because we are in and out. But what we don't know is where them actually. My brother,
somebody said
when you wake up, when you see you are fighting against it, that is when you end up announcing it.
Triple M, are you there? Before you go, somebody made a comment and said this. He said that you made a mistake. That you made a mistake. You said that it's Jonah instead of Noah. So they will cut it now.
Jonah, it's not Noah. Jonah.
No, he said that they will cut it. They will cut it now and say, look at.
Of course, that is it. That is it. You don't need the more they do something, the more they help us.
Cut and join agitators.
So we are thank God for that. For them, they are helping us the more. They are helping us the more.
Of course.
Okay. Of course. Now they will be busy. They will be busy outlining mistakes of our DPM. I was listening to Emmanuel Odemiju. Imagine Emmanuel Odemiju still joining the nuisance. This is the same person.
Man,
the property of National is coming to actualization. Whenever women come into the struggle, we know that Biafra is here. And listen, it's playing before them. This one is not even that women. Does it mean that the women have not been joining this struggle before? But the prophecy is right before us. This one is not women joining. This one is women being the one of the leaders.
Yeah.
And in international law, in this international world, they respect women.
Very well.
If our peer was women, they wouldn't have even do anything about it.
True.
But people please understand it.
True.
They please understand it. You know that whatever thing women, you see women at the forefront. My brother, all the shike, they are still there. No, we are going home. I am fully convinced that we are going home this year.
Thank you.
Thank
you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. Somebody said that Kai report. If you ask me, I think I will tell you that these people are having another romance. I got the wine. Baby neck. I got the wine. Baby naked. Maybe. Because it was over kepu na that man no na Germany. Na go na awe okwe ni ha. Na that okwu na agwa akwụkwọ na akọ na ọkwa nwoke na edo ka ọ dị good. Amy said Triple M get time listen to Sia. That's what I wanted to tell him. So you have all the time to go to see of the Sia. My brother, do you have anything to say?
Nah, I could do over, my brother. I could do over. The only thing not there, I like remaining there now. Simon will go. That's you are in spirit. Simon will go. Also, we are in the era of separating the wolves from the sheep. That is the era on email now. Yotago. And our people of Biafra is supposed to pay attention. The time and the season are on email now. The time and the season are very, very important. Whatever thing that is happening now in this struggle, if you are not sensitive enough, you got it delayed. There are a lot of millions of voices out there. A lot of millions of voices out there. The question now, which one are you paying attention to? Which one are you paying attention to? Are you paying attention to the voice of reasoning? Or are you paying attention to the voice of destruction? Are you paying attention to the voice of development? Are you paying attention to the voice of building? That's what we are talking about. So now we're going to pay attention to the voice of reasoning. Now, one, okay,
Call. Hello.
Hello, Kai.
Yeah, I can hear you, my brother. Nice to have you.
Okay, thank you. Well done. I'm calling from Texas.
You're welcome.
So all these things in the middle, I'm very, very surprised now that after all this way that God will punish her if she ever go back to Ogun Kerry and all that. You know, the thing is, we are here and we are watching.
Good.
You know, so anything the man will teach niggas to try. You know, like Genesis now, we are separating the chaff from the wheat.
Yeah.
You know, so I commend you people. Saying we are supporting the COS. I got to for the DOS now. So, now we're done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just watch.
Thank you.
Now one, I can ekwu mistake COS. Most of us can make a mistake and now they call us.
And I told her, guy get to put this voice, this woman voice, you know what?
Our chief of staff, we are going to do everything to support her. And she can never fall. Come on, Yaka. I need that to convince him. Orisha Spirit. And that to never to be after. Oh, Jawa Betty Waki Biafra, Joe. And I didn't know what it. Oh, no, nature now, our chief of staff. Dr. Ngodo Yaka. Hey! You know that almost in fact in your face. We Biafrans. Okay, that's the moment I've done them what I'm taking. Oh my God. Are they possible? Because of your faith. Because they don't see how to make to put out again. Oh, no, go take out, Can I lay out so? Can you all to be there lay out? Can you want you can kill it? Hey, oh, Jesus. We do program. If you take that Bible on the begin and cry. Take our land. Only Victor. Brother, is it not what you want? Only Victor. Can somebody take our land? Good evening, sir.
There were.
If you now,
If you from Bodo Jesus Abi. Ma'am.
There were
na Chukwu bụ ọnụ ome a sị na onye mara ebe e ga-esinye aka ya mee ịghọtago nọ na-agbalị ihe ụnụ na-eme adịghị ize anyị kere ọrụ eke ihe ụnụ na-eme aga m emenwu mana nke m ga-emenwu ka m ga-emenwu Chukwu bụ ọnụ ome ịghọtago mgba niile a na-agba a sị na ka ọ na-esi ike ka ọ na-ebe ka ọ na-esi ike ka ọ na-ebe nwaanyị bụzi ụsụ ị mara yesterday na-agwụ n'okwu ama na-achụgo nwaanyị ahụ ama na-achụgo ya jọsị ama dị m na-achụgo ya
Actually,
all can use get the program. Like humble lion. Nature, see naked na man by brother. Why was also but naked na. As no make it a program, and I say, the mother was not actually easy. It's not one day. It's not one day.
the man not be beginning.
Ndị mmadụ na-akpụ ya na fon na ịmana ọ sachala ọnụ aga onye nyere mmadụ poizin asụsa pụrụ ya n'ọnụ. Ndị ịmana onye asụ na onye kpọsata ya ndị ọdị ka ọ dị kpọsa ndị ọdị ka ọ dị agbụrụkwa. O nwere one particular man na-aja akpụ ya one man from Imo steeti asụsụ ya bụ onye Imo steeti nnọọ ọ dị ka ya nwoke ọ na-eme ome ka ha na ozugbo dị man akpọbịa na fon. Since I know about the man, on the year I can food now, no money people now. So, if I not put your jack and then or channel will follow us. Oh my no, Punde to DOS now where or window to guys. In the year I can with estimate Louis and what test story to the wine on Allah. Can you see you go, Kanko? Eh? Otu ọ na-eme program onye ha anya ọfụ viewers ọ na-asị na 10,000 na watch ya 20,000 na watch ya ọ bụrụ dị ka anyị nwa gara watch ya because nna aja watch ha stupidness watch ya na-achị nnọrọ ebe nnọ na ọchị ka nna aga achị ya so ọ na-aga ọ dị ka anyị nwa and o nwekwara ndị dị ka anyị nwa nnọkwa na watch kwa ya ịghọtago and otu nnọkọ ezinụlọ ahụ oji ebuga echitukwana ya our DPM ịma na iwe nwaanyị na-apụ iche maazị na-apụpa ha ma our DPM bụ ọ dịgara wounded lion now o jiri iwe ihe mere maazị and maazị Simon were pụta na nke ikpeazụ a ọ na-eteke nonsense as no madam it must bow and ihe ọwụ ọ na-epend iron isi na-agba ha gara but now you take nonsense ime ha n'ozugbo ọpịa gị ya and ị na-agwa okwu ọ dị ka ebe mmadụ na-agwa okwu ịma na gị na okwu na-ekwu okwu ị ya-agodi ya ụka ịkụsi ịnụ ọ naghị ele anya n'azụ were anụ nke ya ihe a na-find bụ ebe ọ ga-eme mistake ọ bụrụ na oji ikwu Biafra mee mistake kpọọ Naijiria ha gọrọ ebe a ma ihe ọma niile o kwuru ha na-afụ ya so ha ma agbara kirikiri onye ka mmadụ kachie onwe ihe ha pụrụ ime ya and anyị kwụ ya n'azụ kwụsie ya ike Biafra kwụ ya n'azụ Udodi alaikere m otu unu si abịa ha bọmba to bamba jisie na ike Chukwu gboo na ume ndewo ana m anọ m ebe a wọchi ụlọ
ndewo mọmi ndewo mọmi ifi Chukwu na nọnyere gị gbaa gị ume you are blessed
mana ife ju eme profile picture gị ebe a ọ drọp ọna
ị chọrọ iri
achọrọ m iri eke ebe ọ dị
last week ka m mee ya ọga ngara Naijiria were butere m ya
akpọnye afọ ka ọ dị ụnyaahụ ka ọ dị
okay
God, my sister, thank you. Another person is here. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Kai,
We don't have to take you, man.
No, I'm Ese dos one
Ndewo, Mazi, you are welcome to the program. Right on. Biafrans are listening.
No, my brother, always be Sammy now.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, Sammy Deku. Ndewo, I salute you. I hail you. Chukwugozie you.
Oh, why?
This guy, Triple M, he was a long time original that is of the rubbish. Wow. Since that boy have changed his tune. That's a focus on the change. In the basic program now, in the basic you see, concerning this in the court and join. They check in the court and join now. I can tell I'm gonna that looking to the group. Sonia Brawa, you know that Sonia Brawa is a phone repairer. It was Roger repair phone that kept vet.
Okay.
So and then we talk about patient and then we came to talk about court and join. It's supposed to be court and know how to do court and join now.
The other one,
anytime you see our GPM. Anytime you see our DPM, come out like that to talk to us. In their mind, all they pray is, God, hey, let her make a mistake. Hey, let her make a mistake. This is their prayer. And that prayer cannot work. If you see anybody that come out here now to talk to us now, the person will tell you whether she made a mistake or she did not make a mistake. That one does not concern us. The reason is because we focus on the government. That government, aggregate declare Finland is where we focus. You cannot tell me that we prepare for 1 year, for a whole full 1 year to go to Finland, pay the money, do everything, do referendum, do everything to go to Finland after 1 year. Now we went to Finland and come back. You are telling us that we have to go back. Go back for what? That is not possible, man. That is not possible. We cannot go back.
Not possible.
See, all these things you see they are doing is just like a dying horse. And when we keep it for the team. You take out that or man, you take out more platform here. In a guy, so no gas people. Okay. I know you can't about so now we are saying, and when I let you go, there's a platform here. So you speak English to us. Can you know also you go there? Why don't you carry there? Also, it won't I was a problem. I said, so you go. So in English, yeah, to say that English by force. Right? She spoke English. Why not? Because everybody that plan, her plan on this woman. Instead of to say something, instead of to say that very soon she will become also. Also, very soon she is going to become. The thing is coming to pass.
Okay, that's nke a bụzi ọ na-achọzi iwu ochie osu na-ekwu na ọ ga-ekwu ya na-ekwu ochie osu ka ị na-ekwuzi ọ na-erekwuzizi ofe ọzọ ị na-ekwu na ọ na-abịa na ọ ga-edozi come to soon ya come to pass
also na ọwụ adadị mbọ na ndị egide adadị mbọ na ndị egide akọ ya onwe ya adadị mbọ na ndị egide ọmaghị na okenye na-atụ asị yeshi n'ire remure okenye na-atụ asị ya nwụghara yeshi n'ire ya na-erubide remure. I'm telling the truth. I listen to Kelena and see everything Kelena highlighted. Then you come and think how this woman will say all these things and go back to that particular thing. I remember what Esedos said. Esedos said that
Chai. No. Very, very disgusting.
And you see the first part of it is that some people, those people are following her, gingering her, are seeing all these things. Are they not ashamed? Those people, are they not ashamed? Seeing this woman, saying all these things, and you go back and see,
no, my brother, that broadcast Kelena right? That broadcast yeah, all the national anthem. Because
my brother, the boy just highlight that everything.
all he did
just document the child.
the guy can put the mother and whatever was everything there.
Yes, now, one of them come up, that you did, not that come along, not that come along. Then you can make catch there. Go and listen if you understand that this woman. And when you create and when you create and tempo, I'm contact. I'm telling you the truth. It's like spirit. They don't say lie.
I'm telling you.
And also, they speak lie.
Yeah, can you
This woman is an evil woman.
I can do Nandi Bomma. No Gulakofa. They don't know the lie. They are pride is based you like they don't lie. And so is super to say, oh, go lie. Oh, I just on the broker. Oh, and yeah, and they will land dispute and didn't maintain that in tempo in line. Hadahana, no matter what, if some people that are not against their own people, they go talk to.
Anaka ya n'ire. Atụ asị ha nwụọ.
They are afraid of that because they don't lie.
You are right. Before I share things in the olden days, they show people to go out, you die. That's time. Ibrachit is a name of an old woman. That's Agadewine. Because it's the an old woman. But this particular woman answering all this kind of old ancient name, and still this woman can come out and lie. Why are we doing evil?
I swear. Man, I present our because
cabinet. Those people that are in government cabinet. Believe me, this woman, I can't know that thing. Oh, I can't this woman do that thing. I'm telling you the truth. Because according to I remember you Kai, he said something, he said that this woman put her. The woman put her. Then put her here. Now, put her another thing. This woman, you know, what that's how she is.
Yeah.
And nobody can trust this woman. When you look at this thing, nobody can trust her. I surprise people who go there and listen to them. Do you think that do you think that they will trust her?
No.
Never ever trust her. They won't even have trust her.
Sonny, the assignment they cannot say that now. We want to go back and keep on punching those bugs. Keep on punching the don't stop. After that, Oko, do the brain. I watch that. No, but I'm going to have a man. What came the food back and I command again?
You see, something happened. You know that our DPM, all this while, they have never sacked her, right? All this while, our DPM, the government have never sacked the woman. They just 3 days ago, 4 days ago, they sacked her, right? They have been tolerating her agencies. But the woman don't want to go down. Finally, when you don't join these people, they sack her.
Exactly.
And this is the good thing they did.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So when you look at the government, she the first time this suspension. When someone was there, she was suspended for 3 weeks. But before 3 weeks, she was caught back. This one was suspended for 2 months. With the hope that she's going to mellow down. So if she mellow down, they will call her back. All of a sudden, she just come out online and say, "Oh, stop now, autopilot." Now she has to start.
Somebody.
I don't see how far she can go. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. I see you. Thank you. God bless. Somebody called. Where's that guy? Sundance said. Sundance King said both Kai TV Remy, rotten juice. All are scammers playing on people's gullibility. So I don't know what you mean by Ekperima. I don't know what you mean by Ekperima. So you are from DOS. Is it because I just touched this little thing about DOS? That's why you jumped and you couldn't bear it anymore. You want to My brother, am I the one that gave you guys flag? I'm not the one that said you should carry flag today. You carry flag, isn't it? After signing petition to stop PM, to shut PM, to do everything. Now you carry flag again, and because I just remind our people that you have carried your flag again, no more underground, because in underground you don't carry flag, and you decided to carry flag now because you see an opportunity. Because what our sister said here, Tina said that you guys carrying flag. Now it's not as if you announced that you want to carry flag. You are carrying this flag because you see there's an opportunity going on about the parade of Saint who is who did this thing I mentioned after? One said like that they are doing the parade about kind of Patrick's Saint Patrick, and you guys use the opportunity to carry flag to deceive Biafra. They know that this parade is going to host. They announced it that there will be a parade. They're coming to protest. So people actually believe that in the one people will think that you guys are parading for careful criminality. These people that they use. The Europeans, we see them as lovers of St. Patrick. Without knowing, they have announced to their people that they're doing protest. So St. Patrick parade, you join that parade, nickname it, you are protesting. Careful, everything is about lie and criminality. And this one called the Sunday Dance King, is here telling me that Kai Kai TV and Ekberima and Oremi Rotting Juice, that we are all scammers. What do I scam from you? Is it your ear or your brain? Because your brain is not good. You know that. Nobody is useless. So what do you actually have that people can scam? Like if I want to scam you now, like you said, what is it that that I can scam from you? Or your or ntị atụrụ gị ịkpụ ị na-eji ịda ahụ n'ife. Eh? Ntị atụrụ, you know they hear word now. Or useless. That's it. Or called brain now concrete. But I don't blame you. Oh, your finger can be free. Go type of nonsense. My brother. Okay, few is falling back to Greek, and many is coming in US. That is from Wokezike. Wokezike. People falling back is actually good. Go and check those that are falling back. Honestly, they're not even supposed to join US in the first place. And I will leave it there. Or Low State, my brother, I told you don't mind them. We love your good work. I understand. I don't mind them, but I have to reply to them sometimes so that they understand how sensitive they can be. I am not DOS. I am bona fide Igbo man. All the actors destabilizing my homeland for selfish gain will never go unpunished. You are not an Igbo. Go and bring your DNA. That's number one. Number two, I agree that your sense is not with you. You go and make trade by butter. Easy brain again make trade by butter. You are a DOS member. For you to mention the experiment, you cannot. This is why I say you are not an Igbo, because Igbo people don't lie to this extent. Yes, we have liars, of course. Nobody. You are not crime free, but you, the level of what you are, the lie and deception that surround you cannot make you an Igbo. It's not possible. You are pure DOS member. They are the one that the only people in the whole worldwide that sees PM and calls PM Ekperima is DOS. And the reason is because the PM stop their criminality. So you telling me that you are not, you are. And the truth must be told, say, Kai, bring out Adadoran just hold the video to play. It is Biafrans. Play it to Biafrans. She has done many harm to Biafrans, and it is and its cabinet. Let her old video be the judge to her. She has finally fall into a pit toilet group. My brother, everybody already know her. You sometimes you expose people. The reason why you expose something for people who don't know the person to know. Is there anybody? I have not seen anybody that said that drama is getting it right, is right, without somebody who actually have been working with that drama like Freeman. No reasonable human being. The one thing you need to understand about Adorama is that if she's in contact with you, she's very, very manipulative. If she's in contact with you, she can manipulate. If you're not with your spirit and your brain, she will manipulate you very, very easy. I can tell you that she will be massaging you, think that you are with them. But if you are the kind of person that know what you want, if you're not no nonsense person, she will hit you and run away. Kai, you know them. You will just finish the Okoko. He is from DOS. Of course, he's from DOS. Once he said that, I know that. And they always pretend that they're not. They are neutral. Before you know it now, he will tell you that that he's in a group called Igbo Progressive Forum, where they're making the Igbo to come. Oyoshi. Progressing in progress again. Criminal everywhere. And they know how to pretend. And my brother, let me just end it there. I don't want to further it. Mordecai, please ask him, have you scammed any of his family member? I have already asked him. Of course, he will not. When my spirit calm down, when I see a person, to be honest with you, because when he say Kai Kai TV, then I now see a person. Then I say, oh, now I know who is talking. Then what I want to give you. He said, Adam, okay, that's Christopher. Sunday, Christopher said Adaronin cannot never save her. We buy here. We are Biafran. Come back. Oh. Okay, in a group, come back. Yeah. Let me bring this to you. Exodus is highly, highly, highly busy today. Let's play this one. My brother, just hold on. Continue what you are doing. We are getting back. I will come back to you. Just continue what you're doing. I'm coming back to you. Please, my people, just let us allow Ada to finish. I want this video to play without interruption. What is going on? Please, is my voice coming out? Can you hear me? Okay.
Oh my God. Are they impossible? Because of your belly. Because they don't see how we get to put out again. Hey, oh, Jimmy. Why not, John? Is it not what you want? talk. I've already taken our land. Only the help of Fulani. Can't take it. It's will take our land. Only the Yelabaka. Oh, couldn't they help? Fama, they go to get a kid. It's will stop the collection of 150 million. They're going to go get it. It's a good rule. Or come and be beginning before. Fama, Una, you get the bank. You have changed your house because they have money. So that's why I change your house. Only need to change your house. Only need to be fine. Good and fine for you people. Let me tell you something. Only the way with you work is a promise. Who are they back? Bible. Bible on road. Even I don't know when they work. Oh no, kids that there. Can't tell you now some of the trouble.
Nah, mmadụ dị n'ụdị n'ụdị. Ike bụ mmadụ dị n'ụdị n'ụdị. Okay, let us touch another thing. Let me bring this one. Yeah, I want to play that. There's another audio that somebody sent to me, which I would like to play here. But let me just play this one first.
No, before I give cool play anything, can I tell Robbie something?
Okay. Go.
I'm Biafra. When I find a cook here now, I like the motors where if you replay already. That one that you just played now. Ever can't put there. Yotago. He said there that no matter what they are doing, they will not be able to bring down Biafran government down. They cannot bring down Hamage COS down. Kama Hage Buti down. No black abakata aka. Okonombo Korea. No black abakata aka make sure na support ya make sure na ya na eme nwere ishi. Ebe a ka anyị pụ na ya. Anyị ụmụ Biafra na-aragharị ire. We know what we are looking for. And we are going for what we are looking for. So onwe mgbe mmadụ ga-agbụpụcha gị aracharakwa. Yotago. So ebe ya nwa agbụpụchara decide ọkọ ga-aracharakwa ihe ọ gbụpụrụ. She is on her own. Even if I dey play kwaro today, man ka play kwuru na echi. I mean ka play uru na ebe kwuru okwu ọma, play uru na ebe ọ na-akụ iri. Ihe ji na-play gasịrị na all these things a. Kunu wee na-enwe ike na-pass sound judgment. Ka onye ọbụla nwee ike na-pass sound judgment. Onwekwa onye a na-eme discourage. And onwekwa onye a na-force na you must surely belong here. Onwe onye ji ụdọ wee kee enu ngedesi ya na nwa na ọnwụ na ọhịa na a ga-egbu. Ihe a na-eme ebe a kịta na ka anyị na-put every record straight. Yotago. Akpọchara gị niile a na-akpọrọ ọgụ. Allow your critical thinking to make a rightful decision. Yotago. In I believe now we belong to Biafran government and we are moving somewhere. And don't allow anybody to preach you to nonsense. Don't allow anybody to preach you to fall back to anything. Because this woman and the factory now, Yotago, go expel. And all the officials they go expel. Expect the worst from her. Expect the worst from her. Anytime I'm playing for by the channel now, you are not going to dare to hear something good that's going to help you. You are only going to hear what is going to break your heart. On our Karagama, they gonna pay attention to those channels now pass rifle information in need. And if you don't do so, you're on your own. Don't allow anybody to put you to confusion because this agent of darkness, they are sworn for us not to meet up. And the for Kai report now a play that's all these things like it. Some people will come here and be commenting nonsense. And whenever they come here to comment that nonsense, I gonna quiet we put every record stress. So when they go right on.
Sorry, I'm able to myself kind of go. So people commenting nonsense is normal. I said it when I started. When I started that my concern is let the people that like me outnumber those that will hate me. That has been my statement. So I'm not saying I never believe that everybody will like me. No. Anyway, let me just leave it there.
They have that among us, and they said she should go and join the. Go and join your okay. Hey, Chineke me, getting up, yo. Go and join your okay. Okay, let us listen to this now. Okay. No, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
One I want to call though. You have a call.
Okay. Bring it on.
It's all right. One right on. Mazi Frank Neku.
Mazika, good evening.
Good evening to you, my brother.
They
Welcome.
they want them.
Emalage.
The topic unjinambeda maka. Na banya na ajo na very late. You gotta go. But now Babga no knows na basim balute. Kami na because of how the road is. So me take it on from right from Ebe Exodus now. You know, before take a little bit, just meet on for a few minutes, then rap phone and I will come back. Dear friends, I greet you all, and I believe that we are all in sound mind. Ekene dili Chineke wenu nana. Adadio Ramma spell Emily from government, but the best thing that will happen to Biafra, Biafrans and USB government. Than this spell Mekunya or commit here. Yesterday I said it that normally or commit suicide by herself. Now, this audio Mazika I play now. Adadio Ramma the God of Biafra, no, with her, with the anointing in her, when she had their anointing, when she was still on the truth, on the side of truth, that was when she did this program. Now, when she begins to deviate, if you watch her video from February, you will understand. At the ending of January, she was talking somehow. Then, and from February, she begins to show some pictures. And if you look at her programs, then you feel that she begins to have some hiccups on her programs because the spirit of deviating. Now, from that February till March, now, she was completely deviated. And the spirit of Biafra, the spirit of truthness, left her completely. So why I dropped this is because of Oku Mazi Exodus Ukulu, which is writing this exposition of the program. In listening from Adadi, I listened from Adadi Ramabu, when the anointing was on her, when she was on the truth, but now that anointing have left, and I want to assure Biafrans that anything going forward from on Saturday she was expelled. Anything going forward that Adadi Rama opened her mouth to see, it's all error and lies, fallacies, and propagandas, and she can never change. Because no committee go or soil go. When you tell a lie, it takes thousands of lies to debunk that very lie, to make it to look as if no reality. Sorry. So she will continue to lie to herself by so doing on our committee go win. Now, I want to tell dear friends. In the other side, or follow to the pit where she fell to. She fell to with the old cargo fool call herself Adania Ununtu because no that Unu Wutinyanafia is an insult to Igbo tradition. Unu was a name and respect Nani Igbo. So she shouldn't use that name again. Because I want to get in 72 to 73 years. Yeah, but I'm not sure they are telling Biafrans this type of lie. As a grandmother, telling this level of lies, then she don't deserve to call I don't know. She's at that unknown too. Now, I tried to lost my, oh God, fuck. Okay, now, if you look at that camp that they fall into, actually, their ATM, Bogen Kere, the Manon of another ATM not there if you look at it critically, which is Sonia Parawa. If you watch that program, Hame, their last program, their last disgrace, Hame Longehana on Saturday. Because I didn't watch it, but from the talks and from the program I watch it from elsewhere. She was mandated, someone by the main ATM there, which is Sonia Parawa, to speak in the language that he must understand. Even when the native pastor native doctor among them try to, help the situation, to mild the situation so that it will blend. But Sonia Aparawa, their main ATM, said no. Now, if you look at it very well, it is a very sound warning to Adandiala. That is a very big sign to tell her that you are not welcome there, that they're going to deal with her. They just welcome her to deal with her. That one needs the another one. Somebody said that this woman that Adandiala have collected a 400 welcome for coming and all this nonsense that they're doing, that is just fall back for the money. I will tell you that from my own understanding, there's this word that they said in the zoo that what money cannot do, more money can do it.
Exactly.
I want you to get the point clear. What money cannot do, more money can do it. She was offered 400 per month. She looked at the volume of traffic on that we the Biafrans built for her. He said, oh no, how can I be getting this? These boys are getting like this and I'll be getting like this. No, it cannot be. I think that was the main thing you were up that would you take the first and second one, maybe then she decided to pull out. Now they have looked at it, weigh it and weigh it. Maybe they might have called her and said, okay, what is your price? What exactly do you want us? How do you want us to come up? Then they discuss. Probably they arrive on something tangible for her, which may be up to 2,000 or then she decided to change immediately automatically without looking back. So what money cannot do, more money can do it. And then the Rama cannot come out and swear now that what does he hear attached to this thing?
Okay now? The
So
question now,
a
minute. The question now. What after this expelled? Let me go expelled now. It's official now. She's been expelled. What do you think now that she's trying to achieve?
Whatever she's trying to achieve or she will try to achieve, it will amount to nothing.
Good.
More she tries to achieve things, more she tries to commit catastrophe into her life.
Good.
I will tell you this: when she started this brouhaha, I was the first person that called on her. If I could remember this day, I would post here. She's on her program. I told her, okay, since DPM is not doing it well, government is not doing it well within these 2 months plus. Now set account that I will be the first person to donate. It is on her program. She was shocked for me to say that. It's just like I pinch her heart. because I know that she's going somewhere. Maybe she will be, how can this guy, and she comes somehow, she felt somehow and said, no, Rupe. The way she answered me, I don't know if anybody listened to that program, you will know, I am the person who asked her to do that I will be the first person to donate. When she was shouting, this and that was the very day was the very day I called her on phone. Okay. And said, okay, let me be the first to donate.
Okay, good.
She tried to manipulate the
Okay, good.
So
good. A minute. Good. And we are making progress here. Actually, our people now get to the point. Our people at home now get to the point. Do you also believe that now the more this woman comes out after this her expulsion now, the more she comes out to castigate the Biafran government, to castigate COS, DPM, do you believe that the more she comes out to do that, henceforth going on, do you believe that the more Biafrans will be falling more in love with the COS and the Biafran government? Do you believe that also?
It's a very simple mathematics. When people was castigating Mazen and the Kanu, what does it amount to? It everything turns around to the greatest volume. The love, the cherish, the understanding, the reasoning, the bonding with him becomes more. Now, the same thing happens to our PM. If you remember, when he faced this kind of situation with US, what happened? When we met, when we was called autopilot, this and that. The names they give everybody begins to bear that name. Any name they brought out, people begins to be on behalf of our PM. What do you think?
A minute, brother. A minute, yeah. I'm like to again start on kata. Yotago. I know why space. And Biafrans are listening. Just like people don't like to. I don't know the reason why people are not learning from the past. They don't learn from the past. The same thing happened to Mazen Nandekalo. People when he came out to propagate this gospel, a lot of propaganda from the camps of our enemy to poison the minds of our people. And them are Umu Biafra was somebody in a they try all they could. The more able to the propaganda, the more people are falling in love with Mazen Nandekalo. The same thing happened with the PM Samunepa. The more they were blackmailing him, the more people were falling in love with his Samunepa. Okay, now the same thing now is happening now in the time of COS. Now this mad woman every day they keep on blackmailing these people. Every day they keep on blackmailing. The more Hannah blackmail, the more they love whom never develop in the Biafran government. And to the same woman, why are they not learning? Why are they not still not yet learning?
Let me chip in this before you move ahead. Let me chip in this, please. I will tell you this. Mass Exodus, Biafrans, rejoice. With this point, rejoice. When PM had the issue, when the redeclaration was proclaimed or made in Finland on 29th, if everybody will remember what happened, even when people was called to go on protest, so many people disagreed because Ogen Kere have had this agreement with most of them, convince even men on ground. If you remember, he said it with his mouth that he told them not to walk. But what happened? Don't wait for a week. They will make it resolve some issues. Can they mad not say for no reason? They twisted everything.
You see?
Done it against the government. But after the first fundraising, second fundraising and this thing, check the volume and the people that was with them. How many do they have from that moment till now?
Still now they are not learning. Still now they are not learning. Now one can't about Ujimanya. Because in one name and they buy like is uru nadro, right? They buy like is uru nadro. Okay, now uno na zo this ahia. Kapozi a business. Now let me just put it this way. This is business. Uno na me business. okay, since you know Biababido this business of Hama Biababido this business of kind dokara, let us go and form our own. And we believe that we have the media. We believe that we have this mad woman, I want fans. Okay, since you know what this here now, the aya is not growing. Then why can't they change titles? Why can't they change titles? Like for example,
Your
now,
name,
just a minute
your
now.
name is
So
your name is Exodus.
So wait.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
For a minute now, like otu ahịa si wedere kịta na ana m achọ ibunye ha uche o, because otu am nọ na enwere m conscience gotago achọ m ibunye ha uche, and uche m na-achọ ibunye nwaanyị a na o okay, achụgo gị now, you are no more with the government, achụpụgo go, and all the official now you're not in with the government, and Biafrans now have rejected you. Biafrans now have rejected ndị oge nkere ya na ndị otu ha, all the official ihe agba n'aka na-eje enye nene ya, all the official, no matter how they pretending, Biafrans now knows the truth and they know what they are following. Okay, uche m na-achọ ibunye nwaanyị a na ọnwụ na awụ m ya nwa ihe m ga-eme o, I'm not supposed to go that their program. Number one, I'm not supposed to appear to that their main program, not together in Zoom with them. You do suppose you know appear na that program ahụ. You do suppose you know onwe na their own channel, maybe give stream or their stream or their fundraising. Ne. You ought to go as somebody achọ, as somebody was also no was able belong. Then you know when the children now I'm in spirit now. I'm in spirit, listen. You ought to go.
Go ahead.
Na imego m nkịta na ịchọrọ ya, ana m like m na-ekwu okwu noise spirit mara na-akụpụ m akụpụ.
I'm sorry for the interjection on the interruption. I'm very sorry.
Ọ dị suppose imego m nkịta na-repeat wakwana m ihe m na-ekwu na ọ dị suppose ime appear na that their fundraising no in their meeting, that their Zoom meeting, number one, because ya nwa na onwe ya otu am nọ nkịta na m ga-asị na nwanne after I have opened my mouth I condemn which and the ihe niile mere ndị a, I'm not supposed to be in their midst again of a very big insult to my own likeness. But ebe uche ya ruo that place ahụ nke a ya dịwa. Secondly, all the suppose now you stream on no ebe on you stream that their program on na channel na watch ya nke a. Secondly now otu ife abraba nuze kita na Biafran government emego expel na Biafran say reject to go, Biafran say reject to go get nkere. You know this suppose ime now for now you use her common sense, you will say program ya ahụ now kwụsịzi na condemn zi Biafran government uche ka m na-ebunye ya ahụ, because I'm not going to watch a program. You're pushing na condemn with this, you're pushing na condemn with the Biafran government, pushing na condemn with this US, then pushing na condemn with him Ogen Kro Gragaga technical or Gragaga join no, pitch me him upon and Ogen they don't trust her anymore. I'm gonna go to not dispose him when the children can land there the beacon. Children can land there because that's your pushing na condemn zi Ogen Kra and down condemn Omana Ogen they don't like her anymore. Now they don't trust her anymore. That Biafran government don't like her anymore. They don't trust her anymore. And that no more Biafran, the good citizens of Biafrans don't like her anymore. They don't trust her anymore. You know this was make it now. You know ze neutral. You're gonna make it an obaye program now. You're not condemn with the Southeast governors. You're condemn was the atrocities of the Southeast governors. You're not condemn the atrocities of Southeast governors here against our people. You're not condemn the Nigerian government here against our people. You're not condemn some information, international information to our USA. That they want to sanction Nigeria. You focus your program on that thing now. Give me an negative. You talk my point. Ndema get to anti. But also that no to form the kita no to form spell kita now. You know up to ko potawa. Kona high kwa more fire. Can the maro kona cut up Biafran government. The more na cut this Biafran government, the more you win away more Biafra and I follow ko and I love these people. They will proving her wrong. So for me now, you need for the men on claim on condemn the government. Now she indirectly promoting the government. I hit my mic.
But I will still do my best. Nanya Biafrans. I will say this in Igbo. Then possibly I will interpret it in English. Ndị Igbo si that na onye anya ukwu na-adana na mgboko mmụọ. Mụ ya na-akpọ mgboko. Onunu mmụọ. Anya ukwu na-eme mmadụ danye na mgboko mmụọ, meaning that the greed or the greedies falls into the bottomless pit because of their greediness. That is him other diorama exactly. I will still come to that. But let me use your name and say something. Your name is an Exodus. When the Egyptians, there was Exodus in Egypt, when the Israelites left the Egypt, called it Exodus. Chineke had the heart of Pharaoh, that the Pharaoh continue pursuing the Israelites after he have left them go until they perished on the Red Sea. So on that note, when we go, I say Namada Nazonata no Nyeti Nebu. Nke mmadụ na-egbu nata na onye tie n'azọ.
I swear.
You understand it? Nobody can save those who God are killing or those who God kills or condemn. And nobody can condemn those who God saves or kills.
Exactly.
That's what it means.
Exactly.
Now, these people, their heart adigo hardened.
Chai, one more.
That mistake.
Is
Now, their mistake is leading them to their grave.
exactly.
And I will not help them out because the Israelites did not help the Egyptians out when they are drowning on the Red Sea.
Chai. On
the case of Adadiorama, in law, you don't help your enemy when he's falling. When your enemy is making mistake, don't help that person out. I understand because we all love Yadandiala, we all loved her.
I'm telling
but
you.
Now she have failed. And since she have failed, she was given grace. She was given time to repent. But because of that greed, she couldn't see those chances and those opportunities. And the opportunities have gone and gone for good. So I will never help her again. I'm one of the person who used to call her with my own credit, with my own everything so dearly to me. Because I made a lot of people to follow her, especially down home. I will tell you, there's a woman who is almost 100 and something years. She don't listen to phone like this. She listen to phone like radio. And when she bring out her radio, if you see the kind of phone that I bought for her, how many posts can I or do mwagadi wanya mwagadi woka bako around her or tini fa nege oneku usupale neku woman will make all these things are canon. I know what it takes me to continue to talk with them. That's why people should go and follow that Simon Epa TV, follow Exodus, follow Kai, follow Kenena TV, follow Ugo 247, follow oh my God, Humble Lion. And many. I keep on saying it all the time on the programs so that people will get the right information and be consoled and healed and see the better light. Because we I will not help. We cannot help or sympathize with that. The Maradona have gone and she have gone forever. Look, watch the programs on them. Leave the people now. You know how this thing work. As days go by. As days go by, so she keep on losing grips.
My brother,
a
thank you
minute,
so much.
a
Thank you
minute.
so much.
Only other callers in Abian. You know, Kai
Yeah,
Kai is like
I know.
see me. Only other callers on our side.
So now then Mozart no background now listen. So at that okay go you can ask comment section here. At the 100 there, it is only 10 or 5 guy comment good about him. All the 95 and 98% are all against her. That will tell you where she's heading to. Thank you very much.
My brother,
Thank you.
Just a moment, okay? I want to call this man back. I want you to hear what he want to say. Just hold on.
Okay.
You can hang on or you drop the call, but I don't interrupt him. Let him finish first.
I just
Hello?
go ahead.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay, now, you have the floor. Everybody's hearing what you're saying.
What I'm saying is this. I've been following you for a long time. But for the past 2 months now, or rather 3 months now, you have not said again concerning Biafra recognition, because we learned that after declaration.
Biafra what? Hold on. Biafra recognition, right?
Yes.
Okay, continue.
We were told during the declaration in Finland, after that, there will be force to defend our borders. There will be lobbying and all the efforts to recognize Biafra as a country. There is this case about Simon Eber. I've not had anybody discuss it. What is his problem, where they are at, what is going to happen, or our preparation, what the government is doing. Now they can also is coming to court on 21st or so. All these things, I felt they are more important things. Than every day for the past 3 months, whenever you come here, you bring somebody up to attack. Till when will it stop? Is that the struggle we are all contributing money or putting effort or whatever? I'm tired of this. Okay, if they are doing their support, let us ignore them because we are the government, no? If Adadi Rama is messing up, let her continue to disgrace herself, no? Do we have to do the same thing they are doing by making saga every day, attacking everybody attacking each other? Man, I'm tired. That's my problem.
Okay, are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, but you see, this is not what you told me when somebody was talking. I was going to repeat the same thing you said, but you are saying a different thing.
Sorry. I was trying to be brief so that
no. You have the floor.
The other thing I said is that the other thing I said is that because of the topic you discuss on your platform all the time, people are no longer interested. If you go to other people's platform, I check this one and that Rama right now. He was at 300 and something viewers.
Okay.
He started just minutes ago. So what I'm saying is that let us do something Biafra wants to hear. Only people who enjoy saga enjoy your program these days. Not like you were before when I was following you. But since this problem of Hogan and then goes to it's like every day we come here to talk about one person or another person, not our issue.
Okay. And to you now, Adado Rama is not playing saga. She's focusing on how to confirm how to get you recognized and get you Biafra and reduce Madam Kano and Samanepa, right? That's why people are watching her.
Let me answer you. I'll answer you. Adado Rama might be doing all hell of nonsense.
No. You said, listen, my brother, you're a matured man. It's in your voice. You said that every day I come here to do saga, pick one person and attack, and Adado Rama is doing opposite of that, which means Adado Rama don't attack people. She focused on how to get Biafran USB recognized. Adado Rama is running away from saga. Adado Rama is doing everything. That's why you guys, you feel like you are following her, watching her, and hold on. Wait, I'm giving you time. Hold on. And she's doing everything right, unlike me. Right?
All right. Let's discuss that, please. I've listened to Adado Rama. I've heard what was our problem. Our problem is that the government is not discussing the important issues. She has been saying it. She has been saying a lot of things that's happening in homeland. She has been saying every other things. If she combines it with her saga, it is her own problem. The point I'm trying to make is this. I'm not interested in Adado Rama. I'm not interested in Ogekere. I'm interested in my government, what to do. Forget what other persons are doing. If they're doing it wrong or right, it's not my business because I'm not with them. I'm bothered about what the government itself. That's my problem.
You are the one that called Adado Rama off. I'm coming, my brother. Hold on. You are the one that called Adado Rama first. Do you know why I insisted that I want reference to hear what you're saying? Because I don't want you to end like private talk. When you called me, you said that what I'm doing is totally out of it, that nobody's watching me, that every time I come here, I pick one person and attack, that I should go and look for, I should go and look at that people are watching her, that she just started and it's almost 400 people out there watching. Then to you, Adadama is not, she don't do saga. For you to say that thing simply means, hold on, for you to mention that in my brother, is a pure red flag, meaning that you are not genuine, you are not sincere, you are trying to pretend to be who you are not. You are not happy that I'm debunking and saying what I'm saying about Ogenkere because you are a full member of Ogenkere. You are pretending here, telling me that, no, I don't know what she may be doing, what she's doing, but you will know when anybody that come up with this notion of what are you doing for Biafran recognition? Because that's what you guys are preaching that Ogenkere is doing is to Biafran recognition. Whereas Sona Parawa, your own lovely brother and the leader, is busy calling that Biafra USB. And when I come here to explain it to you, you are telling me that I'm doing running saga. Can you just hear yourself? Even at that drama you are following now, run saga more than DOS. Run saga more than, and you are using her upon all the people that you can use to start the example. You are using her, meaning that I'm disappointed as a man of your age saying what you are saying on air. And I intentionally allow you to come, listen, I intentionally allow you to come up and say it so people can hear. And let me tell you something. I don't care about the number of people watching me live. If I want to do saga, I can do it perfectly, but better than that. To Yan, I can do it better than her. Big fight. Say something, pretend that I'm fighting for you, man on ground, man on ground. I can do that. And I believe that I started following this Americano and the PM before that. So I don't know what your problem. You are not giving my advice. You are trying to caution me to stop talking about your leader. That's all. And be man enough to say that. All this running around, beating around the bush doesn't make any sense to me. Your advice is not an advice. You are trying to warn me that I should not talk about your leader. And I expect you to say that with your full chest. Instead of, and watch. Okay. Are you trying to, are you also aware that people can buy view? Do you know that? I can buy view. People are doing that. So what you don't know, okay, say you don't know it. And I'm not here to tell you, I'm not looking for any people who want to listen to the truth. We hear people who are looking. When we started this program, somebody told me that I should change the topic to talk about Adorama. But the person did not know that I have Adorama to talk about. If you started when I started, I don't know when I started this program. We don't start with Adorama issue. We talked about other things.
Let me speak so that people can comment.
Okay.
First and foremost, you don't know how old I am, so you can't say person of my age. You might be older than me, I might be older than you. That is one point.
No, your voice. You are both 16. No. Are you under 16? Are you under 16?
It's all right. Let that go.
So you're a mature man.
That I'm a full, Ross, let me speak. When you're saying that I'm a full member of Ogenkere, it makes me it makes me more angry. I become angrier than before you said it. If I should be very frank with you, if I should be open and say my mind the way you are demanding, my mind is that I hate every damn person that fell land for declaration pattern and continue with this nonsense. With Ogenkere, Adadio Ramao, Ngozo Rabrezel, all of them are working for the same person. They don't want anything good for Biafra. That is why all of them have resulted in saga. Man,
why must you use another Rama? No. Why must you, for you to use another Rama as an example is my problem. For you to use her as an example of people that are getting it right, my brother, it simply means that you're out of it. I hate my mind.
I'm not saying about who getting it right. I'm saying that Rama sometimes starts mentioning those things that are my problem.
I am too young to forget what you just said. I am too young to forget what you just said.
Now, please, can I say something? It's not only three of you are in this thing. I want to contribute something here. You understand, please? I hope my brother, can you hear from me? Are you listening? So that and I appreciate you for calling in. You understand? You are a Biafran. You understand? And everybody have a freedom of speech. You understand? And for me, the point that you make, Kai report have already cleared the air quite all right. Doesn't have any bad intention. It doesn't have any bad intention regarding the woman that you mentioned. It's just that what we are doing here, there are some misinformations that are flying out from all these kind of individuals out there blackmailing the Biafran government. And it is our duty to be putting every record straight. You understand what I mean? It is our duty to be putting every record straight. But here, we don't play saga. There is nothing like saga here. But I don't want to go that side. You understand? I just want to hit that point. But I want to ask you now that you that called in, from your own point of view, the way you're seeing things now happening now in the government, happening now in Biafra land, happening now in this Biafra movement. What do you think that is your best suggestion or advice to our people at home regarding to what is going on? What is your suggestion? Who do you want Biafran people to follow? That's my question to you. Is it Biafran government or Ogenkere group? What is your suggestion?
Thank you very much. It's a very good question. I love to answer this question, and I've answered this question before. I've answered this question to Guy himself in the past, and I'll answer it again. Okay, let me tell you, most people who enjoy this saga are people who have no stake in Biafra struggle. Anybody who has sacrificed anything, be it finance, be it time, be it emotion, whatever, anybody who is involved in this struggle, who has sacrificed any damn thing, that person is getting frustrated with what is going on. This is the point I want to make first. Do you get my point?
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening.
The thing I want, for coming to your question, my suggestion, I'm not trying to direct anybody or warn anybody or force anybody to do anything. My suggestion is this.
Your advice to our people at home and the people your advice.
Listen to me. Ngozi Orebeze is the head of the government.
Okay.
The country, and that Rama might be a distractor. But at least when you say Biafran government, who heads the government is Ngozi Orebeze, right? So
okay.
Nobody asks him whether to follow Ogenkere or to follow another person. If you want to be with what is going on, you must be with the government.
Okay.
And this now here, I never called that the Rama program. I never called it. I'm not anything about them. What I'm saying is that my advice is this.
Good.
Ngozi Orebeze tries to unite with these people, and she finds out she cannot work with them, or they don't want to come back, or she finds out that they are threats to this struggle. Cut them off completely. Cut them off completely. Stop mentioning their names so that they will be forgotten. It is because you come here to mention their names, people will be enjoying it because they don't have stake. Anybody name a fundraising model, name anything important in this struggle, that person must be frustrated with what is going on today. And to solve that, Ngozi Orebeze have to react like a leader. It is either you bring these people in, you find that they are threat to you, cut them off 105%. Anybody should not mention their name in your program. They will be forgotten.
It's all right. Okay. Okay, let us let us be taking a bit by bit. Biafrans are listening. We are having a very good conversation here. Okay, now COS is not the one spreading misinformation to the hearts and the minds of our people. The other group are the one spreading misinformation to the hearts and the minds of our people. And now, what we are doing here, we are trying to be sanitizing the hearts and the minds of our people, not for their mind not to be poisoned against this government. That's my point. Now, I'm coming back to you now. So now, you knowing fully well that these people are spreading misinformation by them calling the government that we went to Finland to declare, calling it USB charger and USB terrorists and USB Nigeria, trying to discourage people that are contributing to support the government. Now, that's why I ask you, what is your advice towards this, our people, towards this their mind? Well, how do you want them to react over these misinformations that is flying? And what do you expect the COS to do? Because most of the time, it must come and debunk all these lies. Because if you don't come to debunk all these lies, the people will think that what they're saying is truth. And if you don't come out here to debunk all these their lies, people will think that what they're saying is truth. So how are you going to balance this equation?
All right. Thank you very much for this question. I would like to let you. Meanwhile, if I delve into this type of question you ask me, it looks childish to me. One, start from Donald Trump. Donald Trump is master of giving names to his opponents. Our prime minister is another mastermind of giving names to his opponents. Nnamdi Kanu does it. When this government started, we gave so many names to our opponents, the enemies of Biafra. We called them so many names. So at this time, if these people are doing this, what I'm saying is that they are irrelevant. If they say this is another person believes that that person is not serious. Any person who is serious with this struggle must be looking for something serious, something tangible. We are not getting it. That is my problem. My advice is that when they make these lies, you can debunk it today and you can make that person to look like a fool. Then you forget that person. Not every day. Okay, are we advertising him? Then who advertises Biafra in the end? Who goes for our? I don't know how to put this. I don't want to sound like I don't know what to say anyway. Maybe I don't have answer to that particular question, but I don't know.
So
Okay,
in your
my brother. Thank you so much.
in your conclusion now, how do you want our people now that the government are serving? How do you want them to be behaving regarding to these issues?
All right, let me say something. I just want to say this frankly. You know, in a situation that we find ourselves right now, it happens so many other places.
No, brother, you are not getting my question. You are like you are deviating from my question. As in this kind of situation now surrounding the movement, because the government, they are serving the people, and this government is all about the movement of the people, by the people, and for the people. Now, how do you want our people now the government are serving? How do you want them now, or how do you want their reaction to be regarding this government? I'm not talking about how you feel. I'm talking about how do you want our people to react over these issues?
Our people, how people will react, or how the government will react? What are you saying?
How do you want our people to be reacting towards the government? I'm not talking about how you are reacting. How do you want our people to be reacting over these misinformations these people are spreading over the government?
Okay. I cannot advise our people how to react. I can only say my mind. Everybody can react the way he feels or the way he sees the narrative, not me. But you should ask me how I react. What I'm saying.
No, I'm not talking about, brother. I'm not talking about how you are reacting. We are not here. Nah, it's like you are not getting the point. It's all right. Thank you so much for your contribution. I appreciate.
All right.
See, I want to let me tell you the truth is that no matter what these people, I know them. No matter what you say, when he called me earlier, what he said and the energy that he used, I already know what he wants. I'm not here to you see, I'm not here to to deceive you or to force you anything. I will just tell you the way it is. What you said, thinking that you are provoking me, is just funny. I don't know if I have already said something like that before. Let me answer this call. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, my sister. You're welcome.
Yeah, Mr. Kai. Good afternoon from here.
Good afternoon to you. What time?
Yeah, first of all, I want to say God bless Mazim Nandekano, bless Simon Ekpa, bless our COS, and bless you too, because you guys are doing a wonderful job. I'm just watching you now. I had the last caller talking. In fact, you can see I was calling and calling. I just want to I want you to cut him off because he's talking trash as far as I'm concerned. He's talking about saga. Saga, COS, because they never do any saga.
Or even mention the name.
Sometimes he comes out to clear the air. He will say some people, have never mentioned anybody. He says some people do this. He's trying to clear it to Biafrans, which is the right thing.
Yeah.
Now, the thing is that Ada Diorama, I watched him little when you were doing program. Was it yesterday about how they did fundraising? Yeah. So I just listened. I was like, I opened my mouth. Was this woman there? I discovered that this woman was fully there and they welcomed him very well and they asked him to speak in English so that everybody can hear. Yeah. That you should manage even if it's broken.
Yes.
Because they want to destroy the struggle completely. They want even the people that cannot hear to hear. that COS and all these criticisms are true. They wanted to say that. Then I begin to ask myself, our people, I don't know what is wrong with Igbo people. I don't know what is wrong with many of us. We don't even think, we don't even reason. Okay, for example, this woman was the woman gallivanting at the Finland. The day they declared independence, he was gallivanting, close the door for me. He was gallivanting at the Finland. He was even the one that pulled the flag down, claiming he was even the one heading Ngozi Otabeze. He's the one that stood him. Okay, now, the same Biafra you guys declared, the USB, you came back again to tell us that is the United Nations supposed to give us that we should go back to whatever you call it, follow Ogenkere. Ogenkere that he has been dragging and dragging and dragging. It's not up to 2 months. 1 month, you jump back to Ogenkere. And people are still listening and comparing her to anything.
And the man the man that just called now is trying to tell you that someone like Ada is not doing saga. That people are listening to her because she's
look at it now. Look at it now.
Just hear that.
COS send in X handle, I think because I had it from Ada right now. He said that people that were injured or people are in prison, that you should send the email, send in prison, and this. It was there countermounting it. Do you understand? The program he was in now. Okay, I begin to ask myself, this is the opportunity where the whole world is fighting against all this the whole world, even China is fighting them. Yeah. So many people, even this man here is fighting them. Yeah. This is opportunity for us to stand up and start to do our own, send the mail, send everything, tag all these leaders. Okay, nobody is even doing, they are not even doing that. They're just every day it comes out, for what? That is nonsense. Anybody, you don't even need to tell anybody that this is not the right person. Any person that thinks very well will know that this woman is a complete saboteur. It's not a good person. Okay, comes back. The men on ground, nobody knows about men on ground because I'm saying based on what they said in social media. Immediately, this Biafra was independent was declared in Finland. They came back and they dissolved their old cabinet, their old bridge or whatever. Ogenkere and the group, the first week that COS say no fundraising, they will jump out. They are doing fundraising for men on ground. Men on ground is for them. It's Ogenkere that's in charge of men on ground. And they did everything possible to deceive some of them, to colonize them. What do you expect this woman to do? The COS. Okay, if that is the case, if people should take care of men on ground, that's fine. That is not the only thing that will make Biafra come. If you don't do diplomatic move, which I know Ngozi Otabeze and the group will be doing, if you don't do diplomatic move and they keep on going inside the bush to shoot and do this, they will call you Ndina.
Thank you.
And there's no way you can run away. There's no way you can run away from it.
Thank you.
When they say men on ground, our people like this, our people like that. Okay, what type of reason do these people have?
Check their brand first. Check those that are saying that. That will tell you all you need to know.
Yeah, okay. If Ogenkere colonize it, they say, oh, it's Ogenkere that is in charge of men on ground. Everybody know. Yes, you are in charge of it. Be working. All of them are towards the achievement of our full independence. It's fine. But why can't you? Because they tried to get money, they couldn't get anyone. They now came out again and started accusing a woman like me, that even to manage my home alone, to go to work, manage my home is not even easy. This woman will manage a home, this woman go to work, this woman will come out and receive all this insult. It's not easy. Anyway, what happened is that when I look at this matter now, I said, and they kind of said it, that we have a lot of mountains. People did not understand the mountain he's talking about. This is one of the mountains. When Simon came out, when they hold him now, all of them were fighting Simon. So Ngozi Otabeze will not be an exception. They will fight. But the only thing I am telling this woman, Ngozi Otabeze, our COS, is to have focus. Have focus and continue on the good thing. Eventually, the truth will come out. It is only if he's not coming with truth that they can defeat him. Yeah. But if he's coming with truth, our people are not stupid. Yeah. They will understand And at the same time, the way you come out to explain some issues for Biafrans is very, very good because some people may not understand. But after the explanation of all their false allegations, people begin to understand. I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So this journey, it's not a small journey. If you remember, Nnadi said, nobody is going to give us Biafra. And nobody is going to take the glory except God. And that this Biafra we are talking about, no country of the world, nobody. And if you see now when they are claiming that, oh, I did this work, I did that, I've been doing this, I mean, they are trying to claim the glory. And now they have already flopped. They are not there again. Because what they are doing now, even if it's a small child, they will understand that these people are not part of it. You cannot drag me and say, follow Ngozi or the we are following you at a stage, you just, not even 2 months, you jump out again and start to criticize. But this woman called Adadi Oroma, I wanted to call her the other day, was being programmed. He did not answer, but if he answered, I would have told her, this saga you are doing is nonsense. If you are here, in political parties, sometimes they have fractions. Yes, it can go your way, but you still the same objective. As you move there, continue fighting for the achievement of our independence. Don't just come and be criticizing people. This person is this person is that. That's not right. When I look at them, honestly speaking, actually, people that are donating money, people that have all their feelings, all their enthusiasms in this struggle, many people have started having double mind that say, what is going on? Yeah. And again, another thing I want to ask is this. Government, Biafra is, we are told that is well registered. If that is the case, I don't know why Ogen Kero will just go and seize the money and whatever. We just live in, we just be moving about. I think the team supposed to come out and know what they will do about that, because had it been that they handle it very, very well to them, they wouldn't have come out and be talking all this nonsense. They cannot hold our money or forever, because anybody that is contributing money, hearing that they are holding the money, this, that, some of them will have to have a double mind and say, what is going on? You know? Yeah. So if there is one way, these people should be called to book, that would be better. Because he can't just hold people's money. If it's a registered organization, well registered, and we have our lawyers and other things, they should look into that and know what to do about it. Because people don't like that, honestly speaking. And everybody that puts money here, most of people that put money here, they put, not that they have money, but because they want to go home. They want this thing to work and go home. And somebody cannot hold them on stage and be talking. So, like as I'm saying in the final analysis, I really appreciate her. And my prayer is that God will continue to protect and save him and lead him to give him more wisdom.
Thank you.
This journey. It's not a
thank you
journey.
so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Thank you. Okay. Somebody actually said something that I would like to read that for all of us. The person that gave us super chat is a Caesar Ma. He said, Kai, Ada is mentally disordered. Just watch out. She will come out to say all what she said about Vam was a mistake. This is our brother, our sister that will give us super chat. God bless you so much, and may God reward you mightily. What you said, she have already done that. I'm not gonna because of this your message. I don't want to play this audio not here, but I'm gonna play it now. Just hear this. This from Ada. Just by a second. Okay, before I play this audio, let me say something before this the guy that called that tried to drag us back to all this nonsense. My brother, you said you have talked to me before. I can't even remember, but please register YouTube. Contact me. I will help you to start broadcasting. Okay, I will help you in my own little way. People will support you, and from there you can start broadcasting. Then that thing that you want me to be doing, you can start doing it, like preaching because you are not from Mozambique. You are not from Kenya. You have mouth, you have eyes, you can read and write. So open your own platform to tell you that I don't have any grudges or anger on you. I will help you. Any question you want, the one I know, I will tell you for free, teach you. Then I want to start broadcasting. Those things that I'm not doing that you want me to do, you can start doing it. Then maybe you will succeed or adopt the number from having 400 followers and 1,000 likes. Ada have actually used that is to insult me. When she was trying to analyze my video, she said that that she's watching all of us, that we don't even broadcast when we are broadcasting. How many people are watching? People that are watching us and that her own is more. If you forgot that our people want like that gossip, people want to hear okay cases, okay for selling, and I'm here. And to you, it's not saga. And I also want you to go and get the dictionary, search for the meaning of saga. In case if you don't know, try read more because I don't think you know the meaning. That's why you said that is not doing saga. That my own, I'm doing saga every day. I'm picking up the to analyze everything that I analyze. Now, you that want to, you know how to preach or teach our people how to recognize USB. You claim that you are fine. You are supposed to. Because I know that you are not. That's not the fact. You are. I have told you who you are, but I'm not here to drag anything with you. You can start. It's not late. Open your own platform, do it the way you want, and stop blaming everybody. Do you want to say something? Okay, continue. Say something, then we'll play the.
Can you hear me? Okay. Actually, I want to make this point now because you are sensitive. Thanks for the callers, Patorat, and thank you for your explanation. Actually, and the point has been established. And our major point now is that we have a government. We will keep on reminding our people. We keep on reminding our people every day that we have a government now and we are operating under a government. And now, our role we are playing, for me, I have come to realize that a lot of people, they are not happy. A lot of people, they are not happy. Just some few individuals. Some people are not happy about this government, and they are also Biafrans. And I have come to realize that some few individuals has been deceived. These individuals have deceived some people. They have corrupted their mind against this government. And it is our duty, which have made it a responsibility by the special grace little grace that I have by Chukwu Abiyama, to be sanitizing the minds of our people. These people that have corrupted their mind. And I'm also making it as a point of duty to all these people, all these few individuals from the other camp, trying to be coming to our channel, trying to be coming in a very cunning way, trying to be asking some funny questions to demoralize our people and everything. For me now, they are welcome. They are welcome. A guilty conscience fears no accusation. You understand what I mean? Let them come in and feel free and express themselves. Let us have dialogue. Let us have superior argument. You understand what I mean? Those things that they feel like the government are doing that they don't like, bring it on. Let's talk about it. Because for me, but one thing I don't like is that you as a Biafran threatening the life of their fellow Biafran because it doesn't agree with you. This is the hard time we put it a stop. This is a hard time. If you say that you're a Biafran, whether you are from Ogenkere, stop threatening Biafrans. Stop threatening the lives of Biafrans. If you don't buy their ideas, all you need to do is to respect yourself. If what I'm saying, you don't believe in what I'm saying, come here and ask me some reasonable questions, and I will answer you. Let them avoid all these insultive words. Let them avoid all these words that's going to bring commotions among us. You understand what I mean? It's high time we pay attention and make sure that we build this new government. But if you know that you don't support this government, please stop threatening our people's life. We are not here to do saga. And I want to use this opportunity to let them know. If you are coming here, stop using this word. Why are people doing saga? So this channel is not for saga. My channel is not for saga. And all the children light of this, we are preaching a gospel of redemption. What we are preaching is the gospel of liberation. What we are doing here is to make sure that our people's minds are very clean. And we are against you people spreading false information to the hearts and the minds of our people. And it is our duty to keep on debunking it. As long as when you stop, anytime you people stop all this kind of misinformation, that's when we stop debunking. But we are moving progressively, and nobody's going to stop us. Thank you so much for that time. Please, my brother, continue.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Hello? Yeah, please, my brother, just hang on. Let us hear this. Just hang on. Let us hear it because someone sent this super chat and said something that I want to clarify. That thing that the person said, and that drama have actually said that. Just hear this. Just after this, you start talking. Okay. Okay. Hang on.
I can do anything. Yeah, what that. And with the peace, I brought together. And with our land, we support our angels. I want it was important for me. So it's more here. We're not seeing Baba and the son. The enemy was like it, especially. One of them because it was war by our family man. On the very, very bad. Torture, family torture, fat. It's one of and I'm asking son. Still not can just sorry, can just go sorry, because I won't know. No matter you also by this, they use so much in the kitchen. No matter how much the way a platform ever. So it's one can they joke about basically on a man and echo on a full singing this sort. On a man and echo your wife said this sort. Man, on a okay, my would ever with the can joke about a cheer pass. So I can see because one and my yogi gonna and what I clear the watching the because and I'm so sorry. Don't miss yes, no more. I'm going to the idea. Knock and I come, whatever I see the COVID over the so when he says one, they would do everything. Very, very sorry. The man I come, I'm not going to have a job. And then I come, they want to know when I.
So she have actually done that. So I have not played it to the end, but the call did not allow me to continue. So let us just said this that diorama is complete. Anyway, let's answer this call. This is our brother. So please, you have 3 minutes, my brother. Thank you.
Please, sir.
Good evening to you. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, my brother. God bless you.
And you too.
I will say my own people. I'm watching you for long.
Yeah.
God bless you. Please don't mind whatever they are saying. I thank God for the type of cloth God that chose to give you. You wearing the call, the cloth of patience. Continue. My brother, don't look back.
Thank you.
So for me, please, what I'm seeing here and what I'm seeing happen here, for me, I'm telling you, this thing, in fact, my brother, let me listen with you. After I will finalize it, just a short word. Look, my brother, the things I'm seeing, it not happen at this movement here for now.
And then you're not surprised the people. I'm telling you, frankly speaking. Oh, that man who last before, second to the last before this hour, this is my sister now. Look at something of yeah happened, years will happen now. My brother, look at our COS, the delegate of Prime Minister Damonema. Yes. Okay, you are the financial minister. Minister. Okay, no problem. I don't know. I'm having a double problem after the declaration. All the money to Rega, all the money will pay their work. Everything you have on Papa that will able those days. They have to relax a bit and recover. They want to go before a video program. Okay, now why this man okay get up for it? They are killing that account. All the kids I don't know which way go watch last time over what I said. He have brought the program over now and now into Samonepa. All like it to pay the account. No question for that. No question here. And then man no go on house higher. But they have brought the real program. All I know is not that. You want to know at this situation. Or more you go see the happen now. Look at yes. You know now what? Continue on that side. Okay, now the men on ground is that no problem that you will tell you okay. Okay, let them come back and reason together with the USD. That's one reason. The scripture and they have come and the hand was there now. Anything over there said to you people, let that thing be accurate. And I know what is going on. I know the result that everything have received the normal thing we should receive. Okay, we should receive it. Yeah. I'm not with the type of power I go here. Like this man who now just to see about where now. I so much like the word that man mentioned. Okay, look at now. I don't do a lot. Man, really oh, I did. A very shameful thing. As that man said, oh, that woman. Okay, yes. Maybe if I ever had a man, okay, why this man is doing that now? Look at that. That you're upon. How many followers anyway? For what? Okay, I don't know about Basaga. I'm going to get you. For one, if the whole Biafra agitation in Anabel, I don't know. Saga had too much. Stop this saga. Okay, I'm a good now. Okay, if I hear man, I have a dog. What is your web platform? Continue there. If I hear man, I will be. Continue fighting the government and the terrorists before my will. Forget. It may criticize, don't you criticize, don't you go all the very bad. I don't know. The world are laughing at us. They hand out to the yes, but people they can never look themselves. Which is I myself I don't believe that. But whenever we come together with that one voice, I want remove our puzzle. Yeah. My brother, we are going to look at all these thoughts that this man creates here. If we are that now, will destroy many souls or paralyze many people. But words, ignorance and that they put as yes, mother get it all very bad. I don't know. I can't just don't know. All right, thank you so much. How can you go down and stay with them? Okay, look at this song. Every last time they go. That after I collect that for you to speak to us. No, I need it, but in fact, that we can conclude because I know that many people are still on the line. Yeah. This woman, I don't know if back of there. Yes, this is what I believe, which is not normal. That is equal. Even available. I wouldn't know that thing in Charlie, but also in available because stay firm. Stay strong. I pray to God. God will reinforce you. I will give you the new idea. I'm telling you, I'll sorry, it's not about it. It happens. Because God fortify you. God bless you that day. Happy I pray look at it, go to the way this woman gives speech. Over the program here, we'll focus on things that and they want to go on with the power, particularly those that are doing that, those that are doing that, those that did that. She have never mentioned the name of one of them. I'm telling you.
But these people put Biafra, they do on a table. Ask law, that is, ask after with tonight. What very bad. And I never done on the air. People are listening. Daddy, please let me stop here because I will be taking extra.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your super chat. Thank you for your super chat. He said, that needs rehabilitation for brain damage. I hope you listen to the audio that I just played to tell you that thing that you said we should watch her, that she will do this. She have already done that already. That's why I played that audio. Though I have not played it to the end, but understand what I'm trying to say. So your prediction is very, very correct. Let's pick another person. Exodus.
Mazi.
I'm
tired now. I call. We are listening to them now.
Hello? Please, my brother, just manage 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And also we can say to we end it.
Okay, my brother, that's so much. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Well done. I cannot see no one with a macanam. Anyone in our budget. Yes. The thing because now I'm manage repertoire. The one from the one here the idea.
Iseketa na mbọ Igbo. Ọkwa Fulani ka asị na mbọ.
So I remember I'm yeah. So the woman come in my here, man, when I snap the corner, here, agent Kubanya. Anyway, and as not agent Kubanya, I couldn't get totally.
I'm telling you.
So, when you're not the cashier, I don't know when you keep on the kitten have market. That I see.
I'm telling you.
I complete or talk the market. If you bring a guy there, I put in about talking as an ash. I told him. So, such a person with such a spirit, I'm telling you the fact. Because only I see when you can't get any program, I stop what you see. But what I can't cushion on the CS. I'm going to see. Yeah, my power so English. Mama, so English, you know. So any person else I'm only there because I have the reason from every angle of life. From every angle of life. You can able in a man the good. You claim a traditionalist. And when you watch, 2 of them they claim to have a traditionalist. Religious. Kakwa Hana, what you are talking back. Come on, Aqua. And then when I've been in my Benin culture.
Okay.
I lived Benin for some time. So then I live in a man, one old woman, my nephew, Hannah, almost the same shop that time. So the woman, but one day, get what I got you one. May I go out one year. So one guy only when you work and on a shop, you know, then I'm how much the guy shop. But the guy, no because I'm not gonna get the guy, and the guy, not Chuma, but the way I get Chuma, and I don't have a problem. So, yeah, the one day, so, yeah, what I was says, no, I want to China 100 months, not safe, not one day. Now, you're supposed to finish, you finish in the line. So, I want to this now, never had miss a track. And I know.
So
That's exactly now. So that is the Benin culture. Nobody had a quarter and since I'm doing a leap, much every time, didn't see any when I left, but I went a quarter month. So, yeah, I have Benin culture.
All right,
I'll tell you the fact.
Thank you so much.
So,
thank you for your time. Thank you. God bless you.
I want not to take the guy serious at all. Yeah, my brother.
Thank you.
God, I think you'll be able to okay, get the shoe, you sit at home. But I'm not taking responsibility. So I'm going to watch it in a minute. And I would go to do so. Dig it there, you go to do so. No, you have to sit at home. And yeah, doesn't go to do so. You go to a sit at home. But I'm going to sit at home on Monday without anything. But what in there? No, I'm supposed to Monday sit at sign the Deputy Prime Minister of Biafra, United States of Biafra, United States. See? I got message at them. We didn't produce them. See, I can't stop, boy. I can't produce the message at them. I know here I got. All time I said to me, I think okay, get it. Or I tell us whatever you want. So that's what's supposed to be. Why I part that them? I where I can sign that at home. Here I got that.
Okay. Okay, my brother. Thank you so much. Let me say this before we answer this guy. This call. You know this okay. His speech yesterday, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? He said something that you know, he always want to pretend that he know everything. He come out and say something that Biafran should. You know, he was trying to warn what's the name of this guy? I'm trying to remember. What the people call Carol White. What is his name? Remind me his name. Carol White. Ejiofor.
Ejiofor. Ejiofor.
Ejiofor. He was trying to warn Ejiofor, you know, to make speech sound like a leader. Maybe that's where this our brother say, you know, say that he's giving sit at home. I'm not even aware of this sit at home, to be honest with you. I'm not aware of that sit at home. But if you want to give sit at home, let him use his name, like you said. Very, very important. And he said that that now every community should start having their own vigilante. And the same vigilante, that is meaning that means self-defense that Ada kicked against. You understand? But Ada will not talk. She can't talk now because she know that this compound that she have just packed in, that house that she have relocated to is not like where she was living. She have more freedom in USB. Now she's pure tenant. In fact, she's squatting with someone that is squatting. You understand? Like she's not squatting to the best people, so the owner of the house, but someone is squatting in the house, and that person bring you to squat together in somebody's house. From being a landlord to caretaker, from caretaker to tenant, from tenant to squatting and lap.
The woman name was shame. Just like the caller said.
Yeah, so that brother called that trying to provoke me.
The woman name was shame.
My brother, wait. I will call you. Oh yeah. This is a brother. Right. Let us hear from him first.
Thank you very much, my brother.
All right. Hello. You go call me, man. Thank you. I got manage the situation. I got manage the situation. I got manage. I
two pieces at program. I want to check it out. Hey, oh yeah, help so much. I'm aware of the truth. Now, based on this woman, that woman, you know that you watch out the mother. Or try here like this. You open in a phone at you. You or try go like this on Africa. She can do and undo. If you go want to remember that woman, why you remember on a bag like Ogmaga? And the only they put in a while, you know that because ndị mmadụ ji abịa na platfọm ya bụ ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ ihe ọchị mana kịta na anyị na-agba egwu ya anyị na-agba nnukwu egwu this time now because of ndị anyị na ha nọ gburugburu ọnụ ha na-esi dị wee na-akpanyesi ụmụ ọdụs their games na-eyuzu ndị anyị ndị otu anyị bụ ndị na-enwero sens ka ihe bụ egwu what is money n'ihi ele ụmụnne gị. Can't you remember the heroes? Can't you remember the heroes? Okay, look at this woman, our honorable deputy prime minister. Nwanyị ọkwa nwanyị ọbụkwa nwoke nwanyị na-anụ ọgụ ka lion because ị na-anụ maka ndị Biafra bụ we came from Eri, the son of God. The son of God is a warrior. You know what I mean? Yeah. We are kind of people that when we go for something that will be good to our fellow human being, no matter any kind of bullets that falling on us, we can continue with this journey. You know what I mean? So such things like this, if on your bonnet and more than what we needed to do is just to praise that person. You understand? Need courage, not to be bringing all these stupid things. Yeah, that whatever. And I would like you guys to look into this matter honestly, because I had to get because if anybody that using that our name, you understand? Go and report it to the lawyer. Let them use legalized way to deal with that person, because that person he does not have any right to come online and then be telling the public that no this and that. Whereas it's against us. Okay, please, I had only on the model, and we take action about it. So that you see. On this stage, I know get that now. I need to get that now. Wisdom. I need the wisdom. Not all this attitude.
Exactly.
You know that?
Exactly. Exactly.
You know that? Why I thought I know because we are Jew. You know what in the yeah. People need to be. Oh,
thank you.
Thank you. And then I like when we met this your platform and then take with number so that connect them at money was like at this only open number online. Just a few minutes so that God has sleep.
They will master. One give for onye akwuru down, us I need now wisdom. You go. Biafrans all over the world. All we need now is wisdom. The Biafran government leadership, all they need now is wisdom. That's why when I say that now, we Biafrans, all we owe them is to be praying for God to grant them 1,000 men wisdom, just like PM subnet by prayed. I know one of the citizens, Yotago, I need to get now wisdom. If you are a media warrior, all you need now is wisdom. And I need to go a discernment spirit. Discernment spirit is very, very important. An ability to assess every individual. Yotago. Onye na-ekwu like this, give us or give the mind on now. Manebo nya si abia, neba na gonna help a lot. But now no matter how they lie, no matter how they blackmail, no matter how they like to paint things black and white, and we are not going to be deceived. They will.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So I think we have done our best because. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
We are doing fine. How about you? You're welcome.
Yeah, I just want to use this opportunity. This is a quick one. I just want to say thank you guys for all you're doing.
Thank you.
You guys are doing good.
Thank you.
May God continue people because it's not easy.
That's all.
It's a quick one though. If you guys keep quiet, you didn't come out to debunk a lot of things, a lot of lies that has been told by a lady with so much love. Many people will not understand.
That's all.
There are people who has IQ in understanding, and there are people who can understand, it very fast.
Yeah.
And all you guys are doing is you guys are sensitizing our people. It's like sweeping the house. May God bless you. From the broadcast Ada made, I think from December, if I could be right, December 16 and February, she said one thing, and that I want to point out. But before then, she said, I cannot join people that sold our Prime Minister Simon Eba. They are still up. They sold him. I cannot belong to people who are this, who are that, who can carry this, that. It's over my dead body. What catch my mind so much, she said, if let me go put her place. He said, even if our Prime Minister comes out tomorrow and asks us to follow Ogen Kerry, she said, over my dead body, I will never do it. Am I right? I think she said something like that.
She said it, yes. She said it.
You're right.
Yeah, that's what she said. And she now said, if she's going to join this group again, Kerry, let her die.
Yeah.
Even if she died, let her burn. That is like a kind of like incrimination.
Yeah.
And let her children throw her ashes into the river so that they can carry it to Biafra land. Then I want to ask her, but in all things, when somebody is speaking or doing something, there is something Mazi Exodus said. He said, test God's spirit. Looking at Ada has something that is like a kind of like mental health or mental challenge. I'm sorry to say that. You understand?
Exactly.
Somebody said it here actually.
Or OCD. There are things they say, even if you call them, they will deny it. You understand me? And when we are putting out to them, internet never forget, because whatever you do is on the internet.
Yeah.
And that's why when you finish doing a program, you go back, revisit your program. So what I am saying, like people saying that you should not bring out and analyze our program, no, it is wrong. You understand? COS is trying her best. COS is a woman. And I have asked my lady, I said, Ada, can you do what this woman is doing? PM was able to do what he did because he is an experienced man. He's a man. There are difference between a man and a woman.
Yeah.
And as it stands now, to God be the glory. Ngozi, God will give you the strength. Our COS, you are doing okay. Where Ada came in to deceive a whole lot of people, let me tell you the propaganda. She said men on the ground. Do you get it?
Yeah.
She held hand on men on the ground because she knows that her propaganda is going nowhere. Okay, why would you say that all you said is the propaganda that Ogen Kerry is now a good man, and all you said is lies? Then I want to ask you, how can a diabolic generation lead you? Somebody came, did diabolic things. 5-5 vision is a diabolic man. Ajere is a diabolic person. All of them went there. All these people, Kerry, the men on ground you say you are calling, all of them, they are diabolic people.
Yeah,
where would they lead you to? And these people are not learned.
Yeah.
So they are not learned. So where are they leading us? Can a blind man lead a blind man? No, the answer is no. So You guys keep on doing what you are doing. We cannot deter an end. Whether good, whether bad, we are standing with our COS. Till God hears our prayer and God will bring out our man who will continue from where he stopped. We are hopeful. We are not deterring. God is faithful. You understand? Because tomorrow, like what you said, which is true, and that is like in a dangling scale. Tomorrow now, she will now come out. If you can say or tender an apology to a man who came out publicly and did, okay, please, my dear brother Kai, when Ajere was doing his diabolic things, the few things I can remember, he said, Ngozi anya boge, Ngozi ukubajiegi, Ngozi igebuisi, Ngozi igenenka, Ngozi you will got rotten. This is all what somebody said. And you went to that same person and tendered an apology. But that person never tendered any apology to Simon Ekpa. This same man said, Simon Ekpa is a criminal. That is Van Van Van. This same man said that Simon, our PM Simon is a scammer. This same man, Van Van Van, said, Allah Biafra, Girishigi.
Biafra. Biafra,
he said that, Biafra, Girishigi. And this is the same man that did not tender any apology to nobody. And you went and you want us Biafrans, you know, to agree with what you're saying. God Almighty should bless you people. Continue doing what you're doing. It's only a dog that goes back to his vomit. Exactly. A whole lot of people advise Ada that whom the devil want to single out, the devil must single out the person. That is what is on this. That at last run, the ending of every matter justifies the beginning. And I believe that the ending is so glorious.
For real. For real.
Thank you. Privilege and opportunity to speak on your platform. Continue doing what you're doing. And Mazi Exodus, may God increase your strength. Continue doing what you're doing. Biafra does not look at any man's face. Anytime anybody derail, the spirit goes out.
Confirm.
They have eyes. They see. So you cannot manipulate them. So when a man is indefensible, if you feel that yes, it's you, God will pick another person and do it more better.
Exactly.
All you was there and you was lying low, and she thinks that she is the only one doing it right. Then the Monday again, they went and resurrected you people and brought you people out. I couldn't have done it. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful. Well, this is excellent. This is excellent call. Powerful.
My brother, he gave me, speech. I don't try.
All right. Okay, for this well, which now about the night. Oh, no, go and get that. We do it. I so much enjoy this program. I so much. I'm there.
He come up with He come from again now.
I'll go myself. We but your mic can be addressed. You have to go away and say more. Go away, some of the one who did keep up. Na make it mara. You have to go. One name put on the rock. I put a go near rock. You have to go. I don't know Norway and Nishi. You take my point. Thank you so much, Kai Report. You are doing a great job. At that time on it, I see you. Thank you for joining in. Amy Sami, Umuife. They won. Umuife Kanku everywhere. You have to go. Imagine tomoto na.
My brother, you when they go away, born up. I'm also gonna pump before. Hello?
Yeah, hello, Mazi. Kai reports.
My brother, you go 2 minutes to 2 minutes. Can I make sure?
Nah, so you guys have tried a lot for this long time. You guys have spent already to sensitize Biafra. I really appreciate you guys for this community. You've been
formidable and resolute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know, so actually, I've been seeing everything that is going on concerning this our sister who has been misled. But I don't know if it is this guy's egg that is working on her, which I know perfectly that the egg also contributed in her misbehaving and all the issues. Well, that one is not what I'm talking about anyway. I just to let their fans to be more formidable and know that they are on the right path to support what our honorable TPM is doing. She's not the type that will come out and be talking talking anyhow with people that has nothing to offer. She has a lot. She has a lot in her hands to do. That is what I just want their fans to know. You understand? Now she has so much engagement at this moment now, you know, in which we need to support her both prayers and in any way we can support her, we need to be supporting her. You understand? Because what she's doing now is not easy. What about if tomorrow night if she says she don't want to do it again now? Who will do that for us? So that's why so that's why Biafrans who are genuinely supportive should make sure that they are giving all the support to her, because she's doing something wonderful that people might not understand it now. You understand? But she's a mother. That is the most important thing we should know. She's a mother. She's a vibrant mother in valor who knows what the kids needs. She's from that place we are talking about. She's not from other place. Not that she's from China or wherever to come and do what we are saying for us. She's belong there too. You understand?
Yeah.
And first of all, you know, so she has to make her home okay. And that is what she's calling on all of us now to see how we come together to make our home okay. Because there are people who are out there to take our land. Not today we knew about this thing now. Our generational prophets, Mazana Bikana, has already made us to know this thing. I don't know if Biafrans, they know the danger at hand now. I don't know if they really know the danger at hand. Mazana Bikana has been incarcerated for how long now? But he said this thing before he was being incarcerated. I don't know if somebody is following up. He has been incarcerated long time before this thing now they started happening like this now. In which as he was incarcerated and all these things keep unfolding, it's not that we should give up. It's a moment we need to come up and start knowing how to defend our land. He let us to know what is going to happen, which we are seeing today. He told us that these people have already surrounded us. And we know that today now, what have we seen? Are we not surrounded? Are we not surrounded? All of our communities are being surrounded. Yeah. We are talking like we are saying this thing now, it will be as if listen. But look at it now. Benue people are no more there now. Now we are no longer hearing about Hausa people anymore. We should come back. I think we need to rethink. We need to rethink very good, and know exactly where we are and know how to give account of where we belong. At least I've been in Nigeria for a long time now. All that has happened in Nigeria, I should be able to give account for my existence right from the time I've been in Nigeria up to now. I should be able to give an account of what I've seen. With what I've seen,
Initially, I used to see Hausa, but today I'm no longer hearing Hausa people. Today, I'm hearing of Fulani. Fulani, I never hear Fulani when I was hearing Hausa people. I never. But today, they are the people we are hearing everywhere. Now, let's just keep that apart anyway. These people we are talking about now that are Fulani are immigrants, like just like we all are immigrants in every part of the world.
Yeah.
We are immigrants in every part of the world, and these people are immigrants like us. I don't see the reason why we should be entertaining and be talking of immigrants like this. Why people have community and they have youth in that community, and we will keep on talking of people who came to us. We are the ones that have to give them where to stay and what to do in our land. But now they are conditioning us. Are we seeing it right? I think we are losing it too. We are totally losing it. Even now, they have gotten us so much by impregnating most of our women. They have nationalized with us. And we are seeing it, we are just there, we are still merrymaking and romancing things, and the wars keep on going. Apart from what our generational prophet, there is no prophet like him, has given to us.
It's all right. Thank you so much, brother. Thanks.
Well,
Thanks, my bro.
My brother, I'm not happy with what I'm seeing coming from my people, Igbos. Let me come put together the Igbo. Ndi Igbo, I don't know, I didn't enjoy with him now for now. Ndi Igbo, I didn't behave quite Igbo, Peter. Here I go, and I Fulani go, now. Oh, just a week, 1 week, 1 week can be Ghana. You hear naming a buying it and the whole people in Ghana sometimes.
My brother,
This thing that happens. Yes, this thing that is happening in our place now. It happens in Ghana sometimes.
my
And you're
brother,
gonna give 2 minutes. Now, please, brother, please, brother.
All they match them all outside from Ghana to Burkina Faso.
okay.
1 week.
Brother,
My brother,
listen. It's okay. Thank you so much. Listen. When you are talking, try to listen also.
Okay, we are. Because Biafra need to wake
then
up now.
I'll continue
I
to
know that
put
Now, when you're the thing now, but you say never know here. If it's not listening.
oh my goodness, my brother. Anyway, people, thank you so much. We are at the end of the program, and you are like what our sister said here. MYE said, "I beg, stop the lamentation. Because what are you doing about it? That's we are here. Once you identify problem, please make sure you offer solution.
I'm telling
Don't
you,
don't keep on lamenting, which is
huh?
true. Don't keep on
Please.
lamenting. And you are giving an example of Ghana. In Ghana, you don't have Osman Danfodio. In Ghana, you don't have a Bangida. In Ghana, you don't have a Buhari. In Ghana, you don't have El-Rufai. In Ghana, you don't have Mahmoud. You don't. So Malami, you don't have all these people. So and in Ghana, they are not 100% in charge of the government. Your example is okay, but not it's not. They're not matching up at all. You can see the difference. Anyway, my people, let's hear from
Let me give my
brother.
rendition, man.
Just
Mm.
brother, we don't try.
Now, brother, my conclusion. Thank you so much for the program for today, and I so much thank our people for listening. For those that have a listening ear, and what we are doing here is we are spreading a message of redemption and liberation to the hearts and the minds of our people. All the very very important. And we have a government, and this government is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. I want to correct an impression here from the last caller. It says that we are losing it. My brother, we are not losing it. The ones that are losing it are the enemies of Biafra. They are losing it. You understand what I mean? It's the enemies of the Biafra, they are losing it. We, the children of light, we are not losing it. And we can never lose it. You understand what I mean? And
Yeah.
If you're sleeping, you're going to sleep. And so tomorrow, we're going to see you once again. And Kechi, all the very, very important. And I pray that I pray that now all your endeavors, you are going to be blessed. If you don't have money to donate today, God is going to give you money to donate tomorrow. Make sure whatever thing that you are doing in this Biafran restoration, make sure that the intent of your heart is very, very good. Mazikai, thank you so much for hosting and remain blessed.
I don't know why people are saying that they cannot hear you. I can hear you very, very clear. I don't know why people are complaining. And even our sister at that Someone's TV said, what is happening, Brother Kai? My sister, can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, can you, because everything that the Exodus said is very, very loud and clear from my end here. I don't know why some of you are saying that you cannot hear. Please, can you confirm? Can you hear us? You brother, and thank you for your time. Amy, for you to reply like this simply means that you are able to hear him. It was cracking before. Yes, I can hear him now. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Bless.
thank you all. And I don't have much to say, but just stay safe and see you again tomorrow. God
Okay.
bless you all. To be honest with you, I am very, very tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very, very tired. Sitting down for 3 hours, 4 hours is not my thing, but we have to do it. God bless you and again. Bye bye for now. My brother, Ogiwaka.